Basia suko situminutse situgies kibona kampani nkizo tumenya ko show ibonetse ubwo ngubwo tuvuga tekanicane noneho n'umusobanuzi wafashe mu ndabizi kandi Fevwani kundwa n'Imana n'abana simwebwe muzanyima amafaranga mu nyime n'urukundo ubundi amwumva umutima mutindi mutazawupfa yo Hammerstone Studios Lions Gate agaswanifilms.com gaheza Simba Entertainment kubufatanya tangire hakuno Debe mugabo uri kureba microonde dodoro ukuntu ari kureba kureba nk'imbwa itegereje inyama
What?
Iki?
Oh, come on.
Gira ariko microonde niribana irongera iraka shyuje nimba ari agakawa nimba ari iki
Thank you.
urakoze turakoze bwira microonde nimba aziko yumva gabari hakuno Debe chega cyo bucucu bundi ngeyo mfashe muri filime ariko mamuzi bigiye kuba namwe murabizi hakuno kumugabo rawo abakomanga iyi sinzi kureba hano kumbi hanze hari inyamaswa bazita ngo icyaryo imuzi akeka za muri bya bihugu byo Alaska kabisa nuko muri za Alaska niho zibera izi nyamaswa ubundi zaba ari nyinshi noneho muri Alaska shira dodo hasi ku mavi polisi iramwinjirana shira hasi
I'm cooperating.
we ngenda korana namwe mu mahoro
I'm cooperating.
je turakorana mureke kuntsindagira hasi okay hakuno
Gotcha.
ndagufasha
Winston, how you been?
meze bite Winston wari umeze ute kuki
Madeline Harris, you
banyita Madeline Harris
US Marshal.
the US Marshal
You're a hard man to track down.
sha kuguhiga birakoranye
Deal.
je twurumvikana ariko
I want to make a deal.
shaka twumvikana reka twumvikana
Oh,
cyawe
whoa.
microonde iraturika byari biye
It's chicken noodle.
utunodozi nari ntetse mwana nari
Go on to
ncyo
bed.
mumuginga mumujugunye ku buriri ndaje
Bedspread, not the bedspread. It's crusty.
bajugunya hakuno
So.
do
Winston, you want to make a deal
Winston ushaka twumvikane
against Moretti.
ujya gushinza Moretti cyangwa
Okay.
hakuno
But I want full immunity.
ariko murabanza mu budahangarwa bwuzuye kabisa
Lots of protection.
mume n'umutekano uhambaye okay
All right.
sawa
Let me call it up the chain.
reka mpamagare twumve uko babyumva bakire abankuriye hakuno gobwa
It's Harris.
ni Harris
Yep.
yego
Clean capture.
twamufashe neza cyane
Listen, he wants to make a deal.
ngarashaka kumvikana yego
Copy that.
sawa
Keep
ndabyumva
me posted.
mukomeze mumbwire keep posted
Get
mukomeze
copy. This could take a couple of days.
shatuzi ibi biraza gufata iminsi kabisa ntabwo ubudahangarwa gutyo gusaba bugwereza leta irabanza
I
ikabyiga
don't want to be that guy, but I have to use the facilities.
mwana ntabwo nshaka nyine kubisi nica ariko
Oh, come on! Don't look at me like that.
mwindeba gutyo mwana
These guys literally scared the shit out of me.
aba bajinga barankanze mwagira ngo bigende bite hakuno umusore bamucanaho yamuzana hano
Could I have some privacy?
ase wampa akanya nkabanza nkikorera ibyo nkora uncitse se
Okay.
okay
But if you don't take off these cuffs,
hanyuma se
you're the one
utavana aya mapingu
that's gonna have to do the paperwork.
ubwo si uri uze kunkorera akazi ka pepa n'iki toilet paper so uri buze kumpanagura mu buryo bumwe cyangwa
Jeff,
Bob na Jeff
Yes, ma'am.
yego mabuja
I have a job for you.
mbafitiye akazi muze mbere mbafitiye akazi Flight Risk niryo zina rya filime ni ukujya mu ndege ariko wigengesera ibiri buze kuba ibyo aribyo byose akarembo katabana no was that a while ago hakuno tuvuyeho turacari muri Alaska ubundi urebye imisozi ukabona uru rubura n'ukuntu imisozi bitewe tubona ko tukiri muri Alaska kabisa ya muri iyi minsi ko anytime amufurayiti muzanyuzwa n'iki hey hari igihe utu turete n'itayimu ndabantu ukatamo gisirimu n'ipoye.
Get in.
Injira mu ndege. Iki ni igiki?
Carter, Winston. Get in.
Nika cyabakanga Winston, injira mu ndege reka gushyushya abantu.
Chartered a private plane and think the Gulfstream.
Mwana mujya kuvuga ngo turagenda mu ndege iri prive numvaga ari nka Gulfstream.
You know, Jay-Z level shit.
Yine nka ndege Jay-Z agendamo tu.
Popping bottles full of bubbles.
Nari nzi ko tugenda duturitse udushampanye.
Fucking Dramamine.
Apana iki kidege kimeze gutya.
Never said jet.
We nakubwiye ngo indege ntago nigeze nkubwira iyayo.
Private plane, and that's what this is.
No.
Nakubwiye turagenda mu ndege bwite kandi niyo tugiye.
Plane. This is a kite with seatbelts.
Hasi ubu ko hano harimo imikandara n'ibiki wa mpamvu.
I'd rather be on Spirit Airlines.
Ubundi byarutwa nkajya kwitegera Spirit Airlines aho kugenda mu kadege nk'aka ngaka.
What do you want me to say?
Uragira ngo nkubwire iki Winston?
Time hideout.
Ubutaha
Miami, maybe you get a jet.
uzajye kwihisha muri Miami niho haba indege nk'izo niho
Bomber
tuzagukura.
on me. Drag me all the way out to Snowblow, Alaska.
Nanjye wamurutuje utuma nza kuguhiga hano muri Alaska.
Options get a little more limited.
Urumva ko amahitamo nari nsigara nyeri
You
man.
can land a jet out here.
Yeah, well, it's a little hard to go off the grid
Ariko no
in Miami.
Damn, a lot
muri
of
Miami byamvu nangiye kwihisha.
did that, did you?
Ni ikintu ikigoryi bafashane ariko ngo kirashaka gutanga amakuru gishinze Moleti. Kiri kuvugura urudege mu njyanye mu runashaje mwabajinga mwe yo mu njyana mu ndege nziza leta niba yishyuye. Akuno.
You guys go ahead, I'll be there in a second. Van Zandt,
Vincent
It's Madeline.
Madeline ni
starting to get worried.
nari ntangiye guhangayika.
Don't be. We're
Wihangayika.
just about good to go.
Tugiye
Is
kugenda.
he cooperating?
Yemeye gukorana natwe se akaduha
If I
amakuru.
say no, can I tase him?
Ndamutse mvuze ngo hoya se naba nemerewe kumukubita nk'akantu nka mujo kanjono.
Right here, I can hear you.
Akuzi ko ndi hano ndi
3
kukumva.
days in motel sucks.
Iminsi itatu ari muri
He
hoteli
hasn't shut up once.
Oh,
ntago ajya ziba ngo afunge umunwa na rimwe.
come on, you loved every minute of it.
Buri munota ndi kuvuga uri kubyishimira.
You miss being behind a desk.
No.
Mwana
No.
wimbwira ko ukumbuye kwicara muri office aya.
Seriously, Caroline.
Carolina wapi pe.
You. For putting me in the field.
Ahubwo wakoze
Again.
kungarura mu kibuga mwana.
Push back.
Don't thank me yet.
Winshimira
Judge
mwana.
Martin recused himself. I'll give you
Judge Martin niwe wabigizeho uruhare.
3 guesses who's on deck.
Stewardess, is there a meal on this flight, or is it?
Ako muri iyi ndege turagenda turya utuntu tw'udusnacks.
Shut up, Winston.
Winston winsakuriza. Okay.
Yeah, replace with who?
Judge
Bose bamuhinduje nde.
Martin asked himself.
Falco.
Yeah, I know.
Falcon niwe ugiye gukora akazi.
And true to form, he's not letting us push the trial date again.
You're kidding.
N'itariki y'urubanza bayisunitse ubwo Moleti urubanza rw'igihe ruzabera babyigije imbere.
Look, it's gonna be
Uri
fine.
kunkinisha mwana we biraza kumera.
Standing by to meet you in Anchorage.
Team irahari iragutegereje kuri Anchorage we hagera uhazana uwo musore.
There in about.
Kiraho.
We should be there in about 90 minutes or so.
Ndakeka mu minota nka 90 turaba tugezeho cyangwa iki. Okay.
They're trying to run out the clock on us, but I've done the math.
Umwavoka wa Moleti ari kugerageza gutinza igihe.
Still make New York
Ariko
by
nanjye nakoze imibare yanje.
morning, okay?
Ndakeka mu gitondo muramutse mugere aho mugiye ku gihe mu gitondo mwamuri muri New York.
Let's get going.
Yeah.
Sawa.
All right, call me from Anchorage.
Umpamagare nugera muri Anchorage aho indege iri bubaparika.
By the book, okay? Don't embarrass us. I gotta-
Kandi ugendere ku mategeko ntudusebye. Kambe ngiye mwana Godland.
So, any in-flight entertainment?
None si indege tugiye kugendamo nta tuntu twa danger
Do
turimo.
you know any party tricks?
Utuntu tw'udukino tw'iki. Deputy Harris. Jye banyita Daryl Booth. Wamubonye Mark Wahlberg. Ni umuhitizi sha yagukiniye filime nka Lone Survivor. Yagukiniye The Union. Yagukiniye filime nka Killers.
It's a beautiful day for it.
Kiniye filime nka Infinity.
I normally don't let my passengers board before me.
It's for your own safety.
Jewe mundi sinjya ntuma abantu bari mu ndege yanjye bagenda bameze gutya. Ni kubw'umutekano wawe muri aho.
Okay. What you packing there, a Glock or?
We're in a bit of a
Iyo
rush,
mbunda ufite ni bwoko ki se? Ni Glock cyangwa ni iki?
Mr.
Turi
Booth.
kwiruka nka Mr. Booth.
Yeah.
Yego mabuja. Rebe, ako niwe pilote ugiye kubatwara uyu mugabo shano umuhitinze. None afite n'ibintu by'ibifaranga byinshi cyane. Mujye muri network ye muraza kumubona ko ari umwe mu bakinnyi ba filime
You
b'abakinnyi.
sure you don't want to ride in the back there with him?
Se ntabwo ushaka kugenda wicaranye nawe hari inyuma.
Absolutely not.
Wapi.
Tough with all the sexual tension.
Kigorya rata mu rwego rwo kwirinda ko umuntu ashaka kuza kubomora.
Well, only meant, shouldn't somebody be watching him?
Well, he's
Ese nta muntu wakabaye ari kumucunga.
restrained, Mr. Booth. He's
We
not
araziritse
going anywhere.
nta hantu ari buze kujya wenyizera tugenda.
The boss.
Ntwazi ikiyebe kikamitana. Nako niwe boss narebe tugenda.
Fugitive before.
Sinigeze ntwara umuntu uri guhigwa na mbere. Uri gucika.
Witness.
Je ntago ndi fugitive ndi gucika ndi umutangabuhamya.
Shut up,
I'm
Winston.
a
Winston iziba hariko.
government witness, not a
Je ndi umutangabuhamya ushaka gukorana na leta ntago ndi guhigwa sindi gucika.
Same side.
akuribuka ko ndiyo
Not another word.
ako wambabarira ukaziba mu kingo.
Well, we're looking at moderate clouds and light wind.
Tugiye kugenda mu kirere kirimo ibihu yaga mwinshi.
Appreciate it if you didn't address the prisoner.
Nawe ntiwongere kuvuga ngo ni
Yes,
imfungwa.
ma'am.
Yego mabusha, yego mabusha. Hakuno mfite akadege ke ka cyaba kanga do.
U.S. Marshal before neither.
Sinigeze ntwara umusirikare wa zunze ubumwe za Amerika na mbere ariko nje
Once though, that was real cool.
nigeze gutwara foka ariko byari sawa hakuno tu mugoresha ari umupilota ari kumuzonga ari watwari kumuzonga
Center, November 2.
College Center iyi ni November 2008 uniform over muri kutwumva cyangwa
Runway 3.
twiteguye guhagurutsa indege muri rana wa 34 akadege hano
November 2.
ejo data November 2008
Take off, runway 3.
baratwemereye ngo dutware indege tugende muri rana ya 34 witeguye kugenda yego beti none hakuno ikindi cyabaye zamura akadege kandagira akadege ubudege kaba kaparika no muri kaburimbo muri karitsiye muhumure indege mwaziburiye ahubwo nta muntu mwandangira ufite aga private jet akodesha muri iyi minsi ko hari utuntu nshaka gukora private jet ariko apana private shop oya private jet bwa budege nyine bw'abasirimu nkanje no gukodesha moto ya Spiro ni ibibazo ikiragi hata wo kwiheba si wakwibeshya hakuno akadege nuko kagurutse hehe muri Alaska akadege gatoya ka cyaba kanga indege ntabwo ibagezeyo tu cyonzi cyo ntabwo ibagezeyo ishaje nka ya modoka ya Didimani ujya untwara twagera ahantu ku kiziba kandi ngumva se zamura amaguru mwana bro zamura amaguru bro baza atagutarukira imvura yabiri kugwa tugivemo tujye kugama hakuno ariko iginsova henshi ibyo bya none se yo ni dodani twuri we wambare kuteri ntago nkumva mabusha ntago nkumva indege ifite urusaku ubishyiremo utuziki ari kugenda yirira show indege nubwo ishaje irimo umuziki mabusha arumva
Not digging the music?
ko kazi uri kukumva
Yeah, I know.
ndabizi
But up here, got to have some tunes to draw.
hejuru umwana umuntu aba akeneye akantu k'akaziki kakwibagiza umuyaga n'ibirura biri hariya hasi
She gets it.
maze na kariya kantu kakayumva hakuba twewe bamuziritse ari ku cyo bita isheni
1,000 feet.
ndakeka ubu tumaze kugera nko muri fiti 3,000
You know, the number of passengers that left their lunch up here?
Hello?
I can open a snack bar.
mwana njye nzafungura snack bar mo hano abantu bajya bafatiramo na lunch yemwe ntabwo bamwe hase ntabwo mu nyumva cyangwa
What if I need to take a piss?
nimba nshaka se gucika icupa unywa itabi
No, I quit.
wapi nari
Big one.
njyera atari
Ain't the same, huh?
nanjye sinkirinywa hakuno kureba umugabo batwaye hano afite igikomere ku gutwi afite
That's
amaraso
okay.
ako umeze neza ku ijosi
Got a scratch there.
ko mbona wagira ngo wakomeretse
Occupational hazard.
narindi gukora kugenda nsudira mfunga amavisi muri indege akantu karankomeretsa maintenance hakuno bamufunze kujya gukora gutera ibirago kubera iki mwamushyize ku isheni
He said he was a witness. Why is he all chained up?
ngo yambwiye ngo ni umutangabuhamya kuki ari ku isheni
He's a flight risk.
kubera ko iyi ni risike twafashe tujya kumushyira muri iyi ndege
He said you two are on the same side.
kandi yambwiye ngo we nawe muri ku ruhande rumwe njye niko natekereje arabeshya
What did he do?
yakoze ikize
Okay, forget I asked.
sana ko byibagirwe ko nabikubajije nari
Damn, my usual hall's a drunken fishing party or a bunch of suits trying to experience true nature.
none ndabizi ubu hasa hari ikigo ry'igisinzi gitangiye kubona ikirere cyiza ukuntu hano hameze
Yoko pilot.
hakuno
Never seen a girl as pretty as you from the big city.
byose nari narigeze mbona umukobwa ubangama nkawe uturuka mu mujyi
Long?
maze igihe kinini utwara indege
Yeah, my dad is a crop duster, Texas.
data nawe yatwaraga indege
I got DDT in my blood.
Well, thank you.
nazaba abeshyara akantu numvishe
Girl as pretty as
hakuno
from the big city.
You been flying long?
data umaze igihe kinini utwara indege
Yeah, my dad is a crop duster,
reka data yari umuhinzi muri za Texas
I got DDT in my blood.
urumva mfite DDT mu maraso yanjye njye ndi umuhinzi bimbamo DDT namwe murayizi ni ya miti batera mu mu bihingwa ngo ubusimba butazica za dedeti yap mu kinyarwanda kiza na za kiyote ibintu nk'ibyo.
Well, thank you. I'm very
data murakoze yari kwibaraguza nta muntu umwiteho ntibanamwumva.
relationship with you, so I could
Jye nakabaye nkundana nawe.
completely control. That would work just fine for me.
How can
Cousins, we'd be married.
So I came up here doing summer charters maybe 15 years ago.
nibwo naje muri ibi bintu hafi nk'imyaka 15 ishize vuga njya mu kirere. Kuva icyo gihe natwara indege sindigera nongera kubivamo.
Sorry, I
Hakuno.
always said I talked too much.
Ebe kugenda batembera bari mu kadege batwaye umusore
Arere.
ngomba kujya gushinza umugabo bita Moleti. Ebe hakuno.
Yeah, you get used to it.
uraza kubimenyera twaye akadege bari muri ya misozi ya za Alaska ndabizi mfite abahungu baba bankurikirana n'abakobwa mujye munera na peace ariko turi inshuti
Okay.
muhumure nta mafaranga yanyu aba diaspora nshaka dore ko muzigano bose ndababaka amafaranga
Now on me.
There's no GPS.
ngejo ndi hari umurara bo twari turi gupanga direct bwa ngaho ko Kigali aho ngo
That's no big deal, really. I mean, happens twice a week.
ibi nta byadanje biba nka kabiri cyangwa gatatu mu
Oh,
cyumweru.
serious. I mean, I fly this route all the time. 75 minutes.
Hano hantu nsanzwe mpacaho umuntu minota nka
Be on the
75
ground and
turaba tugeze ku butaka duparitse.
witness.
We n'inshuti yawe nakuriya
I
mutangabuhamya.
promise.
You don't think we should turn back?
No.
Ubu si ngombwa ngo dusubire inyuma ko itumanaho rivuyeho.
Heck no.
Oya
I mean, it's your call.
nako ni wowe untegeka tu
Paid either way.
ko n'ubundi muri
Listen, we're
bonyishyura.
moving in from the north. We head back now.
Ikirere kiri guturuka mu majyaruguru igihe
Probably gonna
ukiremere.
ground us for a few hours.
Turamutse dusubiye inyuma byadufata amasaha make.
I know the
Minota nka
way
75.
I'm gonna get you there.
Wenda haza ahantu tugenda kugezayo mabuja. Wumva utuje kabisa. Wumva utuje wenda kugezayo. Hakuno. Tagano hano kagakinisha mu ndege. Akagenda gaceza kiriwa nzenze kiriwa yakatika ribombe. Hakuno. Gobgano.
How long you been with the marshals?
Ese umaze igihe kingana iki uri masho muri umusirikare?
Almost
Myaka
8
7
years.
hafi 8.
You like it?
It
Urabikunda?
has its moments.
Bigira ibihe akiraho cyawe yondira banza nabasekuru
Sorry.
Oh, it's okay.
bari oya bimeze sawa
Strike is off. I'd be
ni inyoni gusa nta byadanje hano kandi ubundi inyoni ishyira indege hasi.
well, I better get a little higher in case there's more.
Reka nzamure indege hejuru tutaza kugenda tugongana n'izindi nyoni. Ako ntabwo najya hejuru cyane kuko nshobora guhwera. Indege iri hejuru cyane uranahwera da pressure iragukanda.
Is the plane?
Ese neza
Ah, plane's
ese ni ikibazo cy'indege indege yanjye imeze neza.
I even scrubbed blood off of it, but
Hakuno kureba hano musore kureba hano wa mupilote yicaye ikarita yabonye utasinzi ako mwakanze kuri delete mukanya nimba sinyare murakanda yinta ku gifilime nk'ikindi kimeze gutya ntazi ngo cyaturumbutse ndasobanutse imbere yo gukora filime mukwiye kujya munsaba uburenganzira reba
she
mwana
great.
urabona atari mwiza
For entertainment?
kubera akabyina kagushimishije
Oh, now she's resilient.
reba nawe reba ukuntu kameze
Yeah.
sasa yarebye hano
$10 words, right?
rebye hano ikarita iri hano
Bye. The fact is, she
ntuzagira umuntu bibwira nyine
through all the bumps and
akomeza yibyinira akane kari agakinisho kari kuvuga hano kureba nari ributh wari utwaye indege wagombaga kuba atwaye indege ntabwo ari uyu mugabo uyitwaye yarebye ikarita iriya ni ikarita iguye ivuye hehe ivuye mu mufuka wa kiriya kigabo gitwaye indege arabibona ko ari gutwara indege atari uyitwaye kandi aje yita amazina ye bivuze ngo ari gutwara indege si uyu sasu ari gutwara indege ari ubwoba buramwica nyagasani mana yanjye yarabibonye
Hey,
yewe utangira arabura uyu yemwe
can you hear me?
uri kunyumva ra
Oh, Christ.
yesu kristo tu nyine
What do I do?
ndakora iki hakuno yapanitse iki kigabo ushobora no gusanga ari n'icyincenyi twabonye gifite n'amaraso ku matwi banza fata ishata yica igipesi agikubita uriya
Hey,
upfa mwana iki
I need to talk to you.
sha tuvugane nje nawe iki
I dropped something
hari akantu nari ntaye hasi ashaka kumwereka ikarita
on the floor by my
hasi
foot.
nyine hasi ku kirenge cyanjye hasi
No.
uraza kurwana nabyo mwana
I'll start off.
oja genda umva ntameze neza
Here, Winston.
Winston simbyiteho
I
zibari
feel really bad.
nshaka kwesa imigo bimire
Bad.
nshaka kuruka bimire genda umva ameze nabi
I think we should turn around.
mwaretse tugakata
Take
tugasubira
some deep breaths, Winston.
umusa we humeka Winston uraza kumera neza
Says he
ikibazo
felt
cye
sick.
ngo arumva atameze neza ngo ararwaye Kigali we hakuno Winston arabibonye ko iki kigabo to hey boss kureba hano
Get in the bag.
gerageza uruke hano utandukira mu ndege kureba hano umugabo afite ndi maraso ku kaboko hey jiruku biruke maho muri envelope
Tell ya. One on every flight.
sinakubwiye mwana
What's our ETA?
tugeze bimeze bite
I don't know.
hasigaye nk'isaha imwe tukaba tugeze iyo tugiye okay mugore ariko yaketse nawe
Gonna see civilization again.
turongera kugera mu bantu ngo tubabone ryari turenze imisozi
Around these parts.
sha wapi
Not till final approach.
paka tugiye kugera iyo tugira until the final approach twemba kugera aho tugiye okay urarabyumva ariko hari ukuntu buriya ureba igihe ukamenya ikirimo igihunyira yapanitse hano ni Winston we n'umutangwabuhamya ugiye gushinza ngo icyebe bita Moleti.
How'd you know about Seattle?
Ese ibintu bya Seattle wabibwiwe ni iki? Iki?
Earlier.
Kare tujya
Have us
gutega.
on our way to Seattle before we knew it.
Wavuze ngo inzira itugeza Seattle urayizi mbere yuko tunabimenya.
How'd you know that's where we're headed?
Waruzi gute kariho tugera?
Where else could you go?
Ahandi se wari kubugiye ni?
Alaskan. I can tell.
Ntabwo uri muri Alaska
Yeah.
ibyo byo nabihamye.
There's no way you're staying in Anchorage. No offense.
Kandi ntabwo uri buze kuguma muri Anchorage aho indege iri buduparike bwa mbere wapi?
Yeah.
Kubona
I had to guess.
nafomboje.
I'd say you got that Yankee blood.
Ndi kubibona ko mu maraso ya harimo amaraso y'abayanki.
Much of an accent, but you remind me of this gal I used to fiddle with.
Ariko nyibukije kera umurara wanje twajyaga tugira.
Can I read the ATC on these? I need to check in.
Hanyuma si yo radio yawe ibyo byombo byitumanaho muri iyi ndege byakunze cyane.
Protocol.
Yeah, all right, sure.
Yego reka mbanze nsuzume.
Center.
Anchorage
My
Center
208 uniform.
November 208 over uri kutwumva.
I'm in Anchorage Center. This is November 208 uniform.
Iyi ni November 208 uniform over muratwumva cyane. Anchorage Center.
Must be the mountains blocking the signal.
Wabona ari imisozi iri kubroka sinyare yacu.
Another few minutes.
Ariko mu minota mike biraza kumera sawa wangu. Wewe wumva utuje. Ibi hakuno. Hey! Cyari mu kadege baracyari kuzerera bakita ka cyabakanga. Tugereye batwita twarejeje. Nawe muri karitsiye mu cyaro warihingiye nka hegitari y'ibigori bikera neza ukagurisha cyangwa hegitari y'ibijumba ukeza ukajyana ku isoko ushobora kuza ukakagura tuba tugura makeya wenda ubusanga iriya rensi yo kudutunga ari y'ibigori nawe uzizi n'ubu tuje nzakabagurira umunsi umwe njye mbahamo iminyenga ntago nzapfa ntakizereka izo nzozi mba nzifite njye ase ko n'ubundi napfuye
Eskimo soup.
hakuno
Flying community up here must be a pretty small group.
mwana umenya ariko abantu bagurubutse indege muri inama muri imisozi baba ari bake ni small group.
Flew me here last week. Jenny Janikowski.
Mu minsi ishize nanjye nigeze kuza inahanzana n'umupilote bita Jenny Janikowski.
Sure.
Uriya murara
Great guy.
yararenze
One time up in Nome, he and I got our hands on some nitrous in the welding torch well.
je nawe twigeze gukorana akazi indege yangiza kugira ibibazo amfasha itoroshi ndi gusudira ahantu yari yagize ikibazo.
Like I said,
Uko nakubwiye yari umusore urenze kabisa.
Yeah.
Okay.
Seem like it.
Bisa nkabyo.
Except she's a woman.
Ikibazo se kari umugore.
I'll even his sister.
Cyari kuvuga mushikiwe.
Believe me, I could tell you some stories about her too.
Nawe najyaga numva inkuru z'uwo mukobwa. Yamuketse.
Buying that now, are you?
Ntabwo uri kubyemera sibyo?
I knew it would be fun.
Nari mbizi ko biraza kumvuna. Cyawe! Tara! Kura imbunda! Dirwanya n'ikigabo. Wimurasa tumukene yari muzima to. Cyawe! Kigabo hakuno. Buda ku ruhande. Kigabo n'ikicanyi. Kigabo we undege. Mfite icyuma mwana mfite icyuma.
How do I kill you?
Tuza sinshaka kukwica mukuru.
Body isn't any fun.
Kobwa arakiruma icyuma ku ruhande urwembe sinzi kandi itara arabanza akimena itara.
I love when they play hard to get.
Je bundi mbikundi yo kubibona bimvunnye nyine tu nkunda kipfushije nkunda kamvuri tu.
You're gonna be a party, huh?
Ugiye kuba show wowe. You gonna be a party wewe ugiye kuma show.
Fuck up.
Siba nawe wa kigoryo. Sibaho. ndamuzirika.
Mr. is very disappointed in you, Winston.
Winston Mr. Moretti wamutunguye
Yes.
I haven't told him anything.
arashaka uri umupfu aragusha ari umupfu. Nta kintu ndavuga.
Say one word.
Nta kintu nayo.
Winston, stop.
Winston ceceka rekera.
Stop. I know.
Ceceka ndabizi.
And you haven't said a word.
Ndabizi ko nta kintu uravuga. Nta kintu navuze.
Yeah. And now you never will.
Ubu rero nta n'icyo uzigera uvuga.
I can pay you.
Nakwishyura mwana umusore.
Have a little self-respect, will you?
Wagiye wiyubaha basi.
Serious.
Niseri mwana.
$1 million
Miliyoni y'idolari
in crypto.
muri
Completely
cryptocurrency mu y'amafaranga ama bitcoin n'ibiki bintu byose y'amafaranga aba online.
untraceable. You gotta let me go.
Y'amafaranga umuntu atagukurikirana ari untraceable.
Look like the kind of guy who deals in fucking crypto.
Ese umusore uyu urebye isura urabona ndi umuntu wizera muri za cryptocurrency jewe.
Fine. Then
So-
cash.
Basi naguha cash.
Hell, what does it matter? We're talking
Basi icyo ushaka icyo ari cyo cyose.
$1 million here.
Ipfa kuba ari miliyoni
All
y'idolari.
that just squirreled away, huh?
I was Moretti's accountant, so
Ayo mafaranga ayakura yese. Nahoze ndi umunyamibare wa Moretti.
I skimmed.
Nyine nanjye namwibyemo make. Miliyoni y'idolari mwana.
You got some fucking balls.
Muginga
How
uranatinya.
much money I hid for that man?
Ese uza amafaranga nahishiye uriya mugabo ukuntu
He sure
angana.
doesn't.
Nawe ubwe ntazi amafaranga afite uko
You wouldn't
angana.
believe how many people got a taste. This one guy in Sankaty, Massachusetts got $25,000 a month.
Nk'ubu hari umuginga uba muri Massachusetts buri kwezi noherezaga 25,000 by'idolari kandi nkayamuhereza buri gihe uko boss aminsabye.
It's just, let me walk away.
Wende kanigendere mwana. Kobwa ari gukanguka nawe.
What was your plan?
Ubundi se ufite uwe
You were
mupango.
gonna fly us to some abandoned airstrip?
Ugiye
Leave
kudutwara se ugenda udute nk'ahantu mu
us
misozi.
for the wolves?
Udusigira ibirura biturye.
No.
Oya.
Bear's more likely.
Amadubu ubundi niyo ari bo barye mweba.
Time of year.
Iki gihe ntabwo ibirura biba bizenguruka muri uru rubura amadubu niyo abazenguruka mu payers.
After we've had our fun.
Ariko ibyo biraza kuba tumaze kurya show. Nanyumva?
Okay. But here's the thing.
Mva mwana ukuntu ibintu bimeze.
Who's gonna know?
Mundi se ninde uzabimenya?
I will disappear forever.
Ndagenda mpite mbura iteka
Say
ryose.
you did your job. Plus, you get $1 million extra bucks in your pocket.
Ukagenda ukavuga uti njye wantumye kwica namwishe nanjye nagoye miliyoni y'idolari.
Win-win.
Si twaba dutsinze twese si win-win. Pega.
And her?
Hanyuma si uyu mugore we.
What about her?
Ibyo se ngo ni ibiki? To. Umugore we biragenda bite? Hakuno umugore. Hey!
Look at her.
Murebe nyine uyu mugore.
If you walk away, she's still gonna die.
Nugenda uyu mugore araza gupfa
Die because of you.
kandi arabapfuye kubera
But
wowe.
in you, huh? To cut her loose. Just like
Tuwe mupango umuhambure nawe agende gutyo gusa wa muginga.
those, did you?
Izi rinete ntazo ugikeneza nana. Ntazo ugikeneye.
You still look like a pussy.
Goragira gutya avaneyo
The
utiza.
difference between me and you is twin.
Meze nk'ipusipusi nimba bisobanuye iki. Uzi itandukaniro riri hagati yanjye nawe se?
I don't know. $1 million?
Ntago mbizi ni miliyoni y'idolari se. Cyaboy!
Oh my God!
Have some
Manager.
fucking decorum, you hear me? I'm trying to have a nice time. Don't you dare fucking disrupt that.
Gwaryo ndi kugerageza kugira ibihe byiza ntumvanje.
I hear you.
Sanda
Listen,
tuva
I
umusore.
do this for free.
Ibi ngibi nabikorera ubuntu
Teddy.
kuko mbikora
You
nishimisha.
like that? We're gonna have
Cyangwa ukunyura akaboko ngahindukiza.
Okay.
Hakuno. Hey! Fata hakuno. Hey. Fatana agiye kuniga umugore.
You gotta wake up if you hear me right now.
Kanguka mwana bagiye kukuniga kanguka. Cyataza umugore yakangutse afite. Tizahita tizinga. Tizinga urugaryi. Ararutizinga do. Rufite n'ikintu cy'igihara kimeze nk'icyandese. Ko nta musanuzi tuziranye ufite igihara ngo mba musigera.
You okay?
Yari yambaye ikiwiga igiperike.
Where?
Winston ntago ndi guhumeka.
There is.
You gotta let me out of this. You gotta let
Ntago ndi guhumeka nje.
There's no air in here.
There is.
It is way worse getting raped by both guys.
No one's
Jenge gufatwa ku ngufu n'urugoryi nk'uru nguru rufite n'uruhara bald guy.
raping you.
You want it bad?
We nta muntu ugiye kugufata ku ngufu.
Did you see where the knife went?
Icyuma abonye yacaguye cyawe. Intambara zivuga. Mundi busharongera. Aramutizinga ndaramuniga aramutizinga ndaramuniga. Dore ngo barakoma. Ha! Imvura y'indege na? Indege iracurama. Indege imanuka bucumu. Nyagasani. Ibi biraza kurangira biti indege imanuka bucumu. Mu misozi y'indege iracurama.
Please, I'll be good. I've been a piece of shit.
Nukuri nzagenda mbe pasiteri bana nunabanirije uyu munsi. Kadege karacurama nukumanuka gasekura umusozi. Uyu baramutizinga. Undi nawe baramuniga. awi wabagatizinze umuriro waramukubise uba mwinshi arahwera. Mufaneho mwana mufaneho. Kadege kari kumanuka kicuritse sinze ariko eguke hindukire mwana uzamura ibyo uzamura indege gasani ananje za hakuno nimba twabyita ngora sinzi ukuntu bakita banza kizamura arakibyimba vora y'indege arayikurura arayizamura yapu habuze rimwe ritanga birakadege akagarura mu kirere habuze rimwe ritanga biri nyagasani habuze rimwe ritanga biri karabaye sinzi ebe kore yarebye hano sikigari we yarazamura indege zigato ikigabo cyari kibishe indege arabanza yishyira muri autopilot indege yarabanje ayisetinga muri autopilot zigato rimwe ritanga US Marshal do yamutizinze umugabo arashyarananuka ari gucumba umwotsi pega umugore Winston we
Are you okay?
umeze neza you okay Winston wa mukinga
No.
Wapi?
I'm not okay.
Wowe urabona ameze neza si imeze neza.
Pissed myself.
Je ninyariye nawe uri kumbaza ngo nkwe. Abantu bigirira ubwoba bwo barimo nyine tu.
What are we supposed to do?
Just let me
Dukora iki?
think for a second.
Reka ntekereze by'akanya gatoya. Ntekereze. Hakuno. Kiragurya banza afata imbunda yayikenyereraho. Umugore. Uri gushaka iki cyuma? Icyuma sinzi banze nivaneho.
First aid kit.
Warebye first aid kit isura buramo icyuma. Kwe. Nze kate kari akantu bamuzirikishije. Na kazipu. Takuno. Ukasi.
Come on, I can help. Just unlock me.
Jena gufasha mpambuye. Wapi?
What do you think I'm gonna do?
Cheka nkora iki?
The pilot?
Nataka umupiloto ntwaye se. Nico ndi bukora ubundi bwo n'uyu mpambu. Sawa. Fasha umukasi hano.
Easy.
You know what?
Ko nta nubwo ari umukasi ni twiza gafite ukuntu gasongo hejuru.
I got it.
Sawa. Koze.
Okay. That wasn't so hard.
Ntabwo byari bikomeye mwana.
Get him into the back before he wakes up.
Umujenga nyene kumujana inyuma mbere yuko akanguka.
Fuck that, shoot him.
Umaze ikisera simbwara simbobo.
Wilderness and murder the shit out of us.
Shikorje cyari kigiye kutwica.
He's killing anybody. Besides, we might need him.
Nta muntu ugiye kwica undi hano dushobora kuza kumukenera. Umukenera iki se? Uzi gutwara indege?
Sure as shit not gonna tell us how to do it.
Hanyuma se bwo yaba bizi urabona ari bubitubwire. Ndambeshye urabona ari bubitubwire do. Ufite ikintu cy'igihara. Michael Park.
Son of a bitch.
Inyana yimbwa, son of a bitch. Bitch ni imbwa y'ingore. Sani namwe murabyumva. Dukomeze. Mwana wa maraya.
Thank you. Now do my cups.
Aya mapingu. We ayo mapingu iyo wakomeza ukamuvinga ukiyambaye reka kwibara gusa. Sawa?
All right. No sudden movements.
Me? It's not my fault we're in this position.
Just pull.
Wesu ni kurura. Hakuno. Jingano yarabisha buze rimwe ritanga biri. Arabazi neza bivuze ko umupiloto ari gutwara indege nyine suyo.
What are you doing in there?
Gukora ibicyanga.
This guy a pedicure?
Giye kumukorera pedicure, giye kumukorera inzara Kigali. Hakuno.
Come on.
Gira mwana.
Talk about this guy from the minute he got in here.
Jerry mukinga kigera mu ndege nibwo nahise mbona ko ari ikibazo.
Kids and that bullshit Larry the Cable Guy accent.
Winston.
Accent yakoreshaga Winston.
God, if you don't shut up.
Ndarahira ku Mana ko nutaziba. Ibyo iki?
Nothing.
Think show me.
Nyereka mwana ntacyo.
Move it.
Dukeneye kumwigiza inyuma.
So you show me.
bakunyeretse nibwo tumwigize inyuma banza unyereke ibintu ubonye so nyeretse hano
I guess someone did his homework.
ndakeka hari umuntu wamukoreye akazi amafoto yari ayafite yabo
They got
bose
pictures of you.
nawe ifoto yawe dore ngiyi barayifite
Oh, they got a picture of me.
niyanjye ndi kubona bayifite wana
Wait a second.
uretse gato
This is my mom's house.
we iyi nzu ni inzu ya mama wanjye
Oh my
Wilson
God, they
mana yanjye wabona ba
heard her. They keep
bambabarije ma
we got-
wabana mwishe sinzi
Winston,
ngiye kumuhamagara mu buri
Winston, okay.
Winston wisara
we can't solve anything until we get help. And we can't
ntago twagira icyo dukora mpaka tubonye
get
ubufasha
help until we move him into the back, okay?
kandi ntago turi bubone ubufasha tutaramujyana inyuma uyu mugabo ngo tumwigeze mu gice cy'inyuma cy'indege okay sawa rero mfasha hakuno bahita bamukurura bamujyana inyuma nayo filime witonze gake gake bucece hey!
Come on, really?
For him.
Oh.
Cuff his hands
bapinga umwana koko nayo kumuzirika
to that grab handle there.
muzirike akaboko kamwe akandi ukazirike hejuru pinga hano umugabo bamukubise tiza bamutizinze
You like being cuffed up.
ikigoryi nawe reka tugufunge wumva uko bimera wumva ukuntu Yesu agira neza
Okay, so.
none
Oh, crap.
Listen,
mwana yanjye
Oh my God, we're so screwed.
mwana yanjye mwana ibintu biratuzambana
Oh my God.
umugabo hano afite ubwoba
calm down.
arapanika
Now.
tuza ariko mwana yanjye
Down?
jya ntuze
Telling me to calm down. My mom has never hurt a soul in her life. She's gonna die,
jya urashaka ntuze
and it's gonna be my fault. You
Oh my God, we're so screwed.
mwana byatuzambanye
Hi. We are so screwed.
byatuzambanye
Oh my God.
tuza mwana tuza ariko
calm down.
jya ntuze
You're telling me to calm down. My
uri kumbwira ngo ntuze
mom has never hurt a soul in her life.
mama nta muntu n'umwe yigeze ababaza mu buzima
She's gonna die. And
mama naramuka apfuye araba ari amakosa yanjye
that you get how
uri
that
kubyumva mwana
must feel.
Listen.
uzi ukuntu ndi kwiruka nyumva kigoryo
We're gonna figure this out, okay?
ibi
Your
turaza gushaka uburyo tubikemuramo
mom is still alive.
nyoko aracyari muzima humura
Yes,
ntabwo bizi
I do.
je ndabizi
No, Moretti has no leverage over you if she's dead, right?
ndabizi yuko Moreta ataza kuguhiga mama wabaye yapfuye wisara rero
So I know she's still alive.
rero ndabizi ko akiri
So
muzima
know that you can't change the past.
ikindi kintu nzi ni uko mama atahindura hashize
All we
hawe
can do is choose how
ikintu cyonyine ubu twakora ni uguhitamo
to respond in this
uburyo turi
moment.
bwitware muri aka kanya uranyumva
So I'm gonna get on the radio and we're gonna get help
ngiye kujya ku cyombo nsaba ubufasha
for us,
ubufasha bwanjye nawe
for your mom.
ndetse n'ubwa mama wawe
We're gonna get you to New York so you can
ndaza kugeza New York
testify and put Moretti away.
ugenda utanga ubuhamya ushinze Moreta ibintu biraba birangiye hari ikindi witsaraho icara
Where the hell are we?
bundi turi ubundi turebe uyu ibibazo bye ntibishira ukuntu umuntu aba afite ibibazo bitagira limite ubundi turi he hakuno rebe filime witonze
Let me sit up there with you.
sibura nicaranye nawe hano
I
hejuru
can help.
nagufasha mwana
You really want to help?
shaka kumfasha
How did you know about Daryl?
ibya kapiteni w'iyi ndege pilote yabyo iwayo wabibwiwe n'iki ngibi hano twabonye icyandiko
alive.
ngiye nageragezaga kugira ngo tugume turi bazimanga kuri
Thank you.
sawa urakoze ngangwino imbere imbere
You piss yourself again, I'm sending you back.
That's all right.
mwana niwongera kwinyarira ndakohereza
But I'm
inyuma
empty.
oya humura nazimaze mama empty nazimazemo mu ruhago ntazikirimo
Is anyone receiving me?
nta muntu uri kunyumva aracyangwa
Can anyone hear me?
nta muntu uri kunyumva hamagara ku cyombo
Mayday, mayday,
mayday mayday over
Send someone to find us,
bagiye kohereza umuntu aze kudushaka sibyo
right? I mean, when we don't show up?
nyine nitutaza
Showing up. Oh, yeah.
oya
No,
turaza kugerayo
we're
wihumura
showing up, for sure. But
turagerayo
if we don't,
ariko se
they
nitutagerayo
know our route, right?
bazi umuhanda turi guca musiba wuzi
Our route? There's no way he was taking us to Anchorage.
we nta muhanda utujyana muri Anchorage wa
Yeah,
mugingo
I'm really starting to question his honesty. Look, there's got to be some way they could locate us, right? Like an emergency
mwana hari uburyo bwo kuduhiga ariko bigakunda
signal, or
tugatanga nka sinyali iri emergency
like a black box or something.
Winston, the radio
cyangwa black box cyangwa ibikindege gira akantu bita black box umusore yapanitse ari kuvuga ibintu atidimanga
the
Winston
GPS, he didn't want us to be found.
radio GPS byose byavuyeho bisa nkaho batashaka ko tuboneka
Can anybody read me?
Data muri kunyumva.
Mayday.
Indege igiye gucrashinga. Umva ikigoryi.
Mayday.
Mayday.
Not. Can
Wa kigoryi ntago tugiye gucrashinga ziko.
anybody hear me?
Data muri kunyumva cyangwa.
I'm on a plane
Ndi mu
and I
ndege.
need help.
Nkeneye ubufasha. Ari guhamagara wapi? Mwadufashije.
Help.
Mwadufashije. Subiramo.
Yes.
Arabumva.
Hello, can you hear me?
Muri kunyumva rata.
I can hear you.
Cyenda bumva.
Yeah, I read you. Say again.
Ndakumva subiramo.
Help. I need help.
Nkeneye ubufasha.
This is an aviation frequency.
We iki ni icyombo cy'indege. Aviation frequency. Uyu ni umurongo uhamagariraho indege.
Yes, I know.
Yego.
I'm on a plane.
Ndabizi nanjye ndi mu ndege ndabizi.
Sound like a pilot.
Ko twumva utavuga nk'umupilote.
No,
Oya.
I'm not.
Ntago ndi
My pilot,
pilote wacu.
Still there? Hello?
He's incapacitated.
Yahwereye namukubise itawe.
Flying this plane and I don't know what I'm doing.
Sinzi ibyo ndi gukora.
All right, I get it.
Sawa.
Hello?
Ndabyumva.
Frank put you up to this, didn't he? You're kidding, right?
What? No.
Frank niwe wakubwiye ngo ukore ibyo bintu uri kunkinisha.
No, I'm not kidding.
Ntago ndi kugukinisha.
Please give me some help.
Nucakira ubufasha. Okay.
Oh shit. I'm
Sawa mbabarire nari nzi kuri kunkinisha madam.
First things first. Did you engage your pilot?
What the fuck is he saying?
Uyu mujinga ari kuvuga ibiki? Reba hano.
Yes, it's on.
Yego nayishizeho autopilot.
Maintain your heading and keep your level.
Rero komeza ugendere ku muvuduko uriho ugendere ku butumburu ukiriho.
Off the yokes for now.
Amaboko yawe yavane kuri yokes.
Altitude. Can you see it should be a big gauge right?
Wareba kuri screen zawe ukambwira ubutumburu ukemuriho ngo bungana gute.
Can you hear me?
Uri kunyumvara?
3,000 feet.
Turi muri feet 3,000.
Okay, you're
Okay.
low, but
Muracyari hasi gakeya ariko nimubigiye ikibazo.
what's your location?
Wambwira ahantu muri location murimo murahagana.
Somewhere between Bethel and A.
Ahantu runaka hagati ya Bethel na Anchorage.
All I see is mountains.
Sinzi. Kirecyo ndi kubona ni imisozi gusa.
I think we may have drifted pretty far off course here.
Ndakeka dushobora kuba twayobyemo ukuntu.
Okay, well I can't be too far away if I can get you.
Nimba ari ibyo ngibyo rero ndanjye ndakeka ntari kure.
Marks?
Muri kubona nk'ibimenyetso by'ahantu mwaparika cyangwa iki.
A little can you say again?
I said
Ibyo biracitse sinkumvisha wari uvuze ngo iki. Hakuno.
Damn it, come on. Hello?
Connexion ziranga. Bazicaminze. Kibazo.
Hello, can anybody hear me?
Ako muri kunyumvara cyangwa? Hey.
Wait, what did you say?
He's gonna call in the situation, right? The pilot guy? He's gonna call it in.
Nyina arongera guhamagara nimba ari ikibazo nka kiri aho umurara guhamagara. Nimba ububwiye ko ushaka ubufasha kandi uri mu ndege umurara guhamagara.
Where'd you leave your brain?
Aho wa mujinga ubwonko bwe babusize.
Out here?
Satellite phone.
Kubera iki? Hano mfite satellite phone, mfite phone ikorana na satellite. Ariko ubwonko bwanjye nimba mba nabutaye. Mfite phone hano.
Come on.
Gira.
Madeline?
Madeline.
Caroline.
we.
God, oh thank God.
Imana ishimwe nyumva mwa.
Anchorage already.
No. We're still
College ntago muragera oya. Turacyari mu kirere.
compromised.
Twaje kuvangira.
hear you, Mads. Hello? Hello?
Mwana ndi kukumva nabi yemwe network ziranga.
Hear the rest of you shut the fuck up.
Siba mwana.
Compromised. The pilot
Nari nkubwiye ngo batuvangiye.
wasn't who he says he was. He's one of
Umupilota arudutwaye we yavugaga ko ari we siwe. Ni umwe mu bagabo ba Moleti.
Wait, what?
Tekereza.
I put him in a lie and he tried to knife me.
Namufasha ambeshya agerageza kuntera icyuma.
Are you hurt?
Wababaye?
I'm fine.
Oya ameze neza.
He's unconscious and restrained in the back.
Nyine yahwereye namushyize inyuma.
And the witness?
Hanyuma umutangabuhamya. Winston ameze neza.
Never been better.
Sinigeze mera neza nka gutya ahubwo na mbere hose.
Who's flying the plane?
None ninde utwaye indege?
I am.
Ninde utwaye indege?
You?
Wowe.
I'm flying this plane and I don't know what I'm doing.
Ninde utwaye indege kandi sinzi ibyo ndi.
Okay. Just stay calm.
Sai icyo ugomba gukora ni ukubanza ugatuza.
Calm.
Genda tuje ariko.
All right, so you are flying the plane and just
None niwe utwaye indege.
so I understand it.
Ndabyumva ko ari wowe yitwaye.
How exactly?
Uyitwaye ute rero?
It's on autopilot.
Iri muri autopilot.
Cruising in a straight line. I think he sabotaged the navigation.
Ndakeka uyu muginga yayihinduye coordinates aho twari tugiye navigation zi.
See if we can track her on radar.
I need someone to
Reka
help
du tracking indege kuri
me
radar.
fly this thing.
Ndashaka umuntu uri bufasha akamfasha gutwara iki kintu.
Pilot who's gonna walk you through it. Sit tight.
Sana ari bi autopilot iraza kukugeza kure weba wicaye ubutuje.
Get me a fucking pilot.
Okay.
Smith wa muginga nshakira umupilot uri ku cyombo.
I'll wait for his call.
Sanda tegereza mu mpamagara.
My mom.
Hanyuma se kutabaje ibya mama wanje.
You need to send some officers over to Winston's mother's house, okay?
Ndakira ngo mwohereza abasirikare kwa nyina wa Winston.
Maybe in danger.
Ashobora kuba ari mu byago.
All right, don't worry, we're on it.
Wigira ikibazo turaje kubikemura. Ndaje nabwo ndaguhamagara nitumara kubikemura narimo ndahita nguhamagara.
Find pilot.
Bagiye kudushakira umupilote. We! Cya kigoryi.
Y'all need a pilot?
Mukeneye umupilote se cyakangutse do. Cyari kibishabuze rimwe ritanga biri.
Pays is no joke.
tiza ko nta mikino ikigira.
Pilots, crispy.
Duhako. Umupiloto dutwaye
How to
twamwishimye.
fly this thing.
Mbwira ukuntu batwara iki kintu.
No.
Wapi nabyo nkubwiye. Nabyo nkubwiye kirakangutse. Ndakeka nirumye.
Dreaming that you were nibbling on my nipple, Twiggy.
Mwana narindi kurota uri mu kundi gatimo koza amabere yanjye.
Or is that just my imagination?
Byari byo cyangwa nuko nabitekerezaga na ni
Who
imagination.
told you we were moving Winston today?
Ninde ari wakubwiye ko uyu munsi tugiye kujyana mu Winston?
What?
Ubwira ikintu muko.
Why don't you come on back here with me?
Waje hano inyuma.
I'll tell you all about it.
Nkaza nkabikubwira ukaza tukabiganira.
Dog.
Je nawe tukadukina imikino yo kwishana no gushaka.
Easy now.
Oroshya sha oroshya umutwe.
Close with that thing.
Makes it hard to miss.
Shoot him now.
Uri hafi ku buryo utanda sibyo byatuma ntagusha rero.
Yeah?
Murase none.
Do it.
Bikore siba
The
bikubwiza.
ones that like that bullet's gonna pass clear through me and it's
Icyo nzi cyo nuko iryo sasu riri
the
bunyuremo
wall behind me.
rikanyura muri iki gikuta kiri inyuma yanjye.
Where the fuel line or the fuel tank is.
Kandi inyuma yanjye niho hari fuel na hari benzine na tank irimo benzine. Ndakeka ibyo bintu utabikora.
Pulling it. Or it could ricochet around right into one of you fuckheads.
Cyangwa surira se isasu rikore rikosheri na kate rigaruke rikumene. Rikoshe ni kwa kuntu barasa isasu rikabouncing rikagaruka umve.
Into the wall behind me. Where the fuel line or the fuel tank is.
Aha gani hari amapompa ajyana benzine na tanka ya benzine ni haniri.
He could put a hole in it.
Shobora kurirasa nyine isasu rikanyuramo rikagenda.
Or it could ricochet around right into one
Well, it could be ricochet around cyangwa se rikarasa rigakubita rikagaruka
of you fuckheads.
rikakunyura mu mutwe. Kana abantu mwa mukazi kandi ricochet ni bakeye. Nzajya mbarabura n'utuvokabirere mutazi.
Now I know you ain't much for planes.
Ndabizi kutazi byinshi ku ndege.
You know a thing or two about how bullets work, don't you?
Ariko uzi byinshi kimwe cyangwa bibiri ku buryo imbunda n'isasu bikora. Byo urabizi sibyo?
Quite the pickle, ain't it?
Urabizi rero oroshya umutsi kandi ndabizi kubizi si ubizi se. Hakuno.
I'll make
Ubwo yumva
no chuckles. You tell me how to fly this thing?
ugiye kumbwira ukuntu batwara
I
indege
go to prison in peace.
mugeze muri gereza mu mahoro. Inde.
Option B.
Icyo kitugisimuke tujye ku mahitamo ya
I'll
kabiri.
put it out there that you turned on Moretti. And you can go to prison looking over your shoulder for the rest of what'll be a very short life.
Ikindi nagukorera nuko navuga yuko wateranye Moretti nkakohereza muri gereza bakagufunga akajya naguhiga.
Well, you've mistaken me for somebody who actually gives a fuck about that.
Ese uzi kuri kunyitiranya ukanyitiranya n'umuntu wakwita ku bintu nk'ibyo ngibyo ibyo ntago mbyitayeho.
I spent every waking day in prison looking over my shoulder.
We njye namara iminsi yanjye yose muri gereza mbyuka mu gitondo nkireba nkavuga n'icyaza. None ibyo mbyita.
Twig,
Uri kubyumva Twig we? Musa.
you will.
Yeah, no, I got it.
Uri kubyumva cyangwa uzabyumva? Oya ndabyumva. Ukuntu biba bigenze sinzi. Musa uri kubyumva?
Yeah, no, I got it.
Uzabyumva. Nabyumvishe nabyumva.
Really want to die out here?
Shaka gupfira hano. Honey.
You gotta land the plane first.
Uragomba kubanza
At
guparika
least
indege.
the real name.
Basi wambwiye amazina yawe ya nyayo.
You know what's the last thing to go through your head before crash landing?
Uzi ikintu cya mbere kiza mu mutwe w'umuntu iyo agiye kurandinga indege abona ko igiye gucrashinga?
Your ass.
Ni agatafari kawe niko kahita kakuza mu mutwe.
Doesn't care.
Mwana yanjye umuginga ntago abyitaho.
Maybe he is. He doesn't care whether he lives or dies.
I care,
Mwana ntago abyitaho nimba twese dupfa.
Twiggy.
He doesn't
Byitaho mwana.
care at all.
Ntago atwitaho.
I care
Uyu ni Harris.
about you.
We nkwitaho.
We're gonna die.
Deputy Harris.
Whether he lives or dies.
Izina ryanjye banyita Hasani.
We're all gonna die with him.
Hakuno bari kugenda batongana.
Will you shut up?
Waziba aho ngaho wowe. Baramuhamagaye.
Shut up, yes, but
Naziba nta kibazo.
make it harder to help.
No.
Ariko nagufasha bingoye umbwiye ngo nzibe kumbe yarabwiye ikigoryi bari kumwe mu ndege.
No, I didn't
Yeah.
mean you.
Ntago ari we nabwiraga Hasani we.
Or if you like, Hassan. And it's all good, deputy.
Ibintu byose bimeze neza deputy we.
Sounds like things are a little tense up there.
Yeah.
Bisa nkaho hano aho hejuru mufite ikibazo ariko.
Yeah, I can say that.
Niko umuntu yabivuga.
Not to worry. We're in this together now.
Ubu muri bitubiri kumwe.
And we're going to get you sorted out.
Turaza no
You
kubikemura.
got an airspeed and altitude for me?
Wambwira ubutumburuke n'umuvuduko muri kugendera.
Yeah,
Yego.
1,000 feet.
Turi kuri feet nk'ibihumbi 3.
And airspeed is...
Umuvuduko turi kugenderaho ni
It should be just to the left.
byo urabibonera ibumoso.
Green, yellow, and red range.
Ahantu hari akarahure k'icyatsi n'umuhondo.
Got it.
Okay.
Airspeed is at 120.
Ndiko natugendera ku 120.
120 at
120.
3,000.
Utumburuke bw'ibihumbi 3 feet.
Sure. And
Nabyo.
what are you doing after this?
Ni ibiki bindi uri gukora?
Excuse me?
Wiki?
Myself, I haven't eaten all day.
Mwana ngewe umunsi wose sinigeze ndya. Wewe uraza gukora iki bintu birangiza? Nyine baba bagomba kukuganiriza bakakumbishwa nubwo utazi gutwara indege naribi.
You want to have dinner with me?
Washaka uze kujya gusangira ibya nimugoroba se?
Yeah, if you insist.
Ubyemeye twajyayo.
Probably focus on landing first.
Ariko reka tubanze dushaka ukuntu duparika iyo ndege.
Thing though seems only fair since you asked me.
Kandi ndumva byaba ari sawa nabinsabye ko tuza no kujya gusangira.
Fair's fair.
That is a verbal commitment and I'm going to hold you to it. This day is looking up already. At least for me.
Ye muri iyi minsi n'ubundi gutereta byaramvurnye by'umwihariko njewe.
You ready? You're just going to ease that yoke to the left.
Ugiye kumanura iyo yoke gakeya kandi buhoro. Uki? Gatano.
Returning.
Turi gukata. Okay. Bari gukata indege hano.
I know you're anxious to meet me and all, but just keep
ndabizi urashaka kuza guhura nanjye wa. Ariko banza ukomeze urebe ubutumbu rukirimo. Menye neza ko indege ifashe neza.
Me to make the reservation, you seem kind of busy.
None se ningiri bufate reservation cyane wowe.
I got this.
Nari bindaza kuyifata.
Pull back on the yoke a little.
Banza kururi iyo yoke ho gace wiyegereze. Kurura yoke ni nkavura y'indege. Kurura yoke.
I have no doubt.
Tumeze neza ntabwo mushidikanya.
There should be a heading indicator.
Ndakeka kuba hari heading indicator.
First thing about the yoke.
Nicyo kintu cya mbere kiri iruhande rwa yoke. Hejuru ya yoke. Ifite agakampas kuntu ndikubibona.
Okay, when you hit southeast, just straighten out the plane.
Noneho nukata ukabona ugeze southeast mu majyepfo y'uburasirazuba uhita uyiturisha igendere mu murongo umwe bari kumuyobora. We ntagazi gutwara indege umupilote uri kumufasha. Okay? Hakuno. Ebe.
Done.
Stupendous.
Cyabaye. Cyiza cyane.
Do me a favor and engage that
pilot. Fasha wongera usubizemo autopilot. Werongera activating autopilot.
Fantabulous. And you.
Cyiza cyane. Ubu noneho mumeze neza.
Up to the coastline.
Ukomeze urebe kuri coastline hafi n'umwaro ku mazi. Nubona ahantu hari amazi uhita ukata werekeza ibumoso uraba uri kujya kuri anchorage aho muri buze guparika.
Practically home already.
Uraho umeze nk'umuntu wageze muhira. Urakoze.
No thanks necessary.
Oya winshimira nawe. Nyizera.
The drinks you'll be buying later will be more.
Icyo nzi cyo ni wowe uri buze kungurira byeri kandi uragura nyinshi.
Is that right?
Koko. Ako umusore ari no gutereteramo. Kiye nkunda kunywa byeri nka si. Ako nakabitse noted. Ako ndakabitse.
Save your battery, but call this number when you spot the coastline, okay? Or if you just miss the sound of my voice. I'll be counting the moments.
Ako nuza no kunkumbura ndaba mbibara byose. Hakuno kigoryi hano kuntu ari kukireba cyari kibisha buze rimwe ritanga abiri ubundi wakica tukakireka. Nawe nunkenera umamagara ndaba nkihamanitse hano wansize ndaba nkimanitse hano. Ndaba nkiri hano hakuno. Kigoryi hano kiri gushaka kwihambura kakireba. Gore sinzi ibyo ari kugenda agira hano tera suparadara nimba ari za suparadara nimba ari ibiki. Yebe hakuno. Hey!
How does it feel?
Raturumva bimeze bite?
Treat me like you do. You lay your hands upon me.
Kigenda kibaririmbira.
Tell me who you are.
Tell me who you are. Mbwira ngo urinde. Aho wari utegereje.
Why don't you just kill us and toss us out?
Ubundi kuki utatwishe kare ngo uhite utujugunya hanze?
Why am I lonesome?
Genda njyenyine muri iyi ndege.
And every day you get a captive audience, you know.
Sha umunsi wose ntago nagenda njyenyine nari nkeneye abantu tugenda tuganira. Nari nkeneye audience.
Give me that.
Winde yagutyo wanjye.
I know people, Twig.
Abantu ndabazi Twig. Nawe kandi urabazi.
Yeah, you like to watch.
Si ukunda kureba se. Hakuno. Hey.
Hey!
Wait.
It's any consolation.
Kigoryi hano.
She's gonna watch too.
Umukobwa nawe araza kuba bireba. Bigiye kuba picnic ya nyayo bigiye kuba. Winnie.
Come on back here.
We ngwino hano.
We start over, huh?
Dutangire bundi bushya sibyo?
Wanna be?
Shaka kuba icubu.
Be the husband or the wife, huh?
Shaka bari njubu umugabo cyawo uraba umugabo. Be mbunyura mu gace mbe mbomora.
How come you ain't sweet? Like your mommy.
Ngwino hano mwana ntago ryoshye nka mama wawe wenda.
Nice and sweet.
Ndabizi ko mama wawe ryoshye cyane kurushaho. Kigore sha cyane pe.
Just like mine.
Muwanje nyine. Yarankundaga.
She just wouldn't shut up.
Ebe. Hakuno.
Winnie.
Ngwino hano Winnie.
I want to show you something.
Ngwino nkwereka akantu. Ngwino yigire.
You're gonna like it.
Ndabizi uraza kugakunda we ngwino.
You've been out the first.
Wabona atari nabwo bwa mbere
Always end up liking it.
ariko nubundi bikarangira ubikunze we ngwino nkwereka. Hakuno. Kingaro bamuziritse. Arasama bitanga iki n'igihara kibi. Hakuno. Do. Ruruharado. Yano. Kureba abona icyuma. Cya cyuma kari kigeze kugwa barwaniye. Arakibona ha. Bari mu misozi. Ure filime witonze.
Hey Winnie.
Hey Winnie.
After I kill you, I'm gonna take the Polaroids to show your mama.
Nimara kukwica ndaza gufata iki n'iki njye kuzereka mama wawe.
How does this asshole know my mom's address?
Ndi njyegerisi gutu wacu. Kwa mama.
You think Moretti had someone in the marshal's office?
Urakeka se Moretti hari umuntu afite umugambanyi muri ofisi yacu?
I told that address to the U.S. attorney when we were talking
Adresse za mama wanje anatuye nazibwiye US attorney gusa attorney wanje.
witness protection. That's it.
Kugira ngo bamuhe umutekano n'ibyo byonyine. So nimba iki kigo cy'icyazi bivuze ngo umwe muri mwe niwe wengambani.
No one knows that address.
Nari mbizi neza ko ntigeze nkora iryo kosa. Nari mbizi neza. Tekereza ko Caroline we.
Okay, so we're coordinating with the military to get
turi kuvugana n'igisirikare ngo baze bashaka ukuntu bapanga gahunda yo kuza kubashaka bakabasubiza bakabajyana aho mwaka w'umuparika. Ndakeka mutari no.
I'm told you're a little small and low for radar, particularly with all the mountains. So
bambwiye ngo uri kugenda ku muvuduko uringaniye ari kuri hasi mu butumburuke kandi uri mu misozi.
Trying to scramble some fighter jets, get some extra eyeballs out.
Rero nari ngiye kugerageza ngo nohereze izindi ndege za gisirikare zize zigucunge zikurinde.
Okay. Headed for the coast, so maybe
turi kwerekeza hafi n'umwaro.
Sweep that first.
Ndakeka dushobora kugeraho mbere yazo.
Look, there's something else.
Hari ikindi kintu nashaka kukubwira mwana.
PD just found what's left of Daryl Booth in his apartment.
Aho iyo ndege mwayivanye bahabonye umurambo wa Daryl Booth muri apartment iwe muri aparitoma yiwe aho yabaga. Cya gipilote cyamwishe. Nta maso afite, nta menyo, n'intoki baziciye.
Sounds like someone really took their time with him.
Bisa nkaho hari umuntu wafashe igihe cye kandi igihe kinini bari kumwe ari kumubabaza. Dore ikigoryi cyabikoze bari kukibona da. Ukuntu cyajeretse ibinwa cyabigeze.
Someone talked. Who knew about this op?
Hari umuntu watuvuyemo ninde waruzi operation wundi.
I mean, we had to notify local law enforcement.
Twagombaga kubibwira abantu bakorera aho ngaho nyine.
Plan with the FAA, alert the TSA, and
they knew we were
FFA,
moving someone.
TTA.
But they didn't know who, right? I mean,
bari bazi ko tugiye kujyana umuntu ariko ntibari bazi ngo ni.
Actually knew about Winston.
Ninde uri waruzi kari Winston tugiye kujyana wowe niwe nshaka kumenya.
Well, the U.S. attorney.
The U.S. attorney.
Director, obviously.
Na director.
The AG, the deputy.
Deputy AG. Urakoze. We ntabyo waruzi.
Of course, but there's no telling who else may have accessed that information.
Nyine nanjye nari mbizi ariko se hari undi wigeze umbaza nyine.
Do you see that?
Ako kari akantu urakabonye.
What the hell is that?
Biriya ni ibiki ndi kubona binjira mu gihe ukiremereye. Ndaje ngo uhamagare mwana.
We're not gonna make that. You gotta pull up.
Mwana ntabwo turi buze kurokoka zamura indege hejuru binjira mu misozi. Binjira mu misozi dore iki. Dore umusozi imbere yabo cececece. Zamura ibyo zamura. Zamura indege birangaga kuzamuka. Genda kubabwira ko ibintu ari sawa. We harimo autopilot. Hey pfunza zamura indege sinzi ariko. Cyuma kigaruka inyuma. Cyuma kiza kuri wa mugabo ha aragifata. Zamura indege sinzi ariko zamura. We. Hani indege. Senuka. Cha mu musozi hagati sekuru urubura. Sekuru urubura. Ica mu rubura. Irucamo. Urarwo ntago ruba rukomeye cyane ku buryo nyine ishobora gucamo ntinacemo n'amahirwe abangana. Ariko iyo baza kugunga nk'umusozi cyayitakamo gake cyane. Buriya ni urubura rwari rwarakavarinze umusozi rwarawupfundikiye. Rwarawubundikira iyo biza kuba nk'umusozi cyayitaka kigabana icyuma kire gifata yambaye icyuma mbere akantu mufite amakekero icuma mbere igura ngaye ko numva iriya nkweto nshaka kujya nyambara we ya danje ariko umuntu uzicuruza ze kunyandikira turebe wagwanya za danje numva nshaka kwambara nk'aba engineer nongere nkuze kariyeri nari maze igihe ariko no biranga abafundi nanjye nigana aba engineer igifundi nago nagisaziramo.
How fun was that, huh?
Byari bishimishije
I don't know about you, but I just made a Jackson Pollock in my pants.
Avuga ikijambo ntari buvuge je byo nakoreye mu ipantaro yanje. Winnie.
You make a poop?
Wijugunya noneho yamwise ngo Winston.
See guys. It's like the Museum of Modern Arts back here.
Bisa nk'aho wagira ngo haba mize z'urubura. Madeline we, Mada.
I'm sure glad you didn't kill Winston while he was in your custody.
Shanda ndakeka uri kunshimira ko ntigeze nica uwo musore Winston mu gihe ukimutwaye.
I'd hate for you to have to go through that shit again.
Nago nari kumva ko byizongeye ukanyura mu bibazo nk'ibyo ngibyo. Iki? Erikanga Winston. Yongeye.
What is he talking about?
Uriya mukiga ari kuvuga ibiki?
Just ignore him.
We mwirengagize mureka.
What dumb fuck put you back in the saddle again, huh?
Shiri gutushwana hano kivuga ibintu.
What is he mean?
Ase ari kuvuga ibiki wambwi?
Twig. I ain't the one you should be worried about.
Ntago ari we wakabaye ntago ari cyo wakabaye uhangayikira mwana.
Talking about.
Uriya mukinga ibyo avuga ntabyo.
Biggie. I know she killed the last prisoner.
Rata ngenda bizo umugore ubushize yishe imfungwa ye. Yarayishe. Iki?
Oh. Oh no.
Oya.
What?
Oh shit.
Iki?
Oh.
Oya mwana. Asikiwe.
Supposed to be a secret?
Harya byari kuguma ari ibangu yararakara. Fayo kikurjiwe.
Darling, what's the matter? No more for.
Kibazo kiswite.
How do you know that?
Ubizute. Ko nishe imfungwa yanjye. Ubizute. Wadajewe. Banza kivanamo amaryo.
You know that.
Ubizute.
Sure ain't it?
Nukuri ariko. Kuri ryinyo. Kuri sara bwayo. Kuri irindi sara bwayo umuntu agira amenyo bita amasara amabwene. Kuri bwene. Ndabyumva mwana.
too, baby.
Nanjye nigeze kwisanga ahantu nkangare. Sinzi ibyo uri kuvuga. Ngenda bizi. Ushobora kwibwira kutandukanye. Ariko nje nawe tumeze kimwe.
Fuck you.
Kijeho. Fuck you.
We'll get there.
Nabyo tuzabigera. We'll get there. Nabyo tuzabigeraho.
Hell, come on.
Umva ariko.
You use my safe word yet?
Nari narakoresha ijambo nari nibikiye.
Yeah. It's burned alive.
Urabizi ko bamutwitse ari muzima. Si ubizi se? Uracyabona isura ye? Isura y'uriya mugore. Iyo ufunze amaso yawe. You do. Urayibona. Si uyibona si isura y'uriya mugore. Yararakara. Kire kiguryi nk'ici.
I bet you still hear her scream, don't you?
Ndakeka uracari kumva gutakamba kwasakuza. Ari mapfira mu buribwe. Ndabizi uri kubyumva. Cyawe! Kura menyo kigoryi ari nk'umubiye nk'ibi kiramufata kimunigana ifuro yerekera hariko uri kungora yewe kura iryinyo kigoryi iwe biti kiremve.
I hope Moretti does come for you.
Mani mfashe Moneti ntazaze kuguhiga. Baby, hakuno. Hakuno. Filime witonze. Gake ucece mu gace kumbe Rinete cyazimutwaye. Cyamutwaye Rinete cyazitsindiye. Kigabo kirabanza Rinete kizica akaguru kamwe. Harya buriya matara taranayagira akaguru.
Okay. Ready?
2 years ago.
Raza kumbwira ni witegura imyaka ibiri.
This young woman,
Hari
Maria.
umugore twigeze gufata mutoya bitaga Maria.
She'd been on the run for weeks.
Yari amaze ibyumweru yirukanga.
And the DA convinced her to turn against her boyfriend.
DEA imwemerera district attorney amwemerera yuko bashobora kumworohereza ibyaramutse atanze boyfriend we.
Tell boss.
kubera ko boyfriend we yari boss w'abakariteri ni byibe
Pulled up in the shitty motel until
twaze kuje kumufata tuja mu kantu k'akamoteri
testify.
tugumayo kugeza igihe umukobwa ngazumva ko yemere yashobora ari ready kuba yatanga ubuhamya ashinja boyfriend we.
We've been in the room for 3 straight days and
twamaze iminsi 3 ikurikirana turi mu cyumba.
She wanted to take a shower. Unsupervised.
Arangije aratubwira ati nshaka gukaraba kandi nta muntu ncunga.
Privacy.
Yaravuze ati nshaka akanya ko kuba ndi jyenyine nyine.
It's protocol.
Nyine ntago byemeye n'amategeko.
But I let her.
Ariko naramuretse.
Shackled her to the tub and stepped outside.
Naramuretse yinjira muri douche nge mpagarara hanze y'umuryango.
A Sicario smashed a Molotov cocktail through the window.
Nibwo ibigoryi byaje bigendera kuri moto bijugunya icupa ryuzuyemo cocktail riri baziritseho umuriro bicisha mu idirishya kuri moto.
I turned back.
Ubwo nagarukaga.
Heat and smoke and flames and
nasanze umwotsi umuriro byose byuzuye muri icyo cyumba yari yahiriyemo. Namwe muri kubyumva muri bakurereka. Ndangije ndiruka.
Maria with the shackles, she...
Ariko Maria ari kugurumana ari gushya.
She...
Uranuko abivuga. Sikubona umuntu uri gupfa ariko. Njye ibaze ko imyaka ngize yinjiye. 40 n'ingahe.
Put you on a desk.
Barangije bakujyana gukorera muri office. Nze ngana gutya ntarabona umuntu wapfuye byanyabyo.
Me in the field again.
Barambwiye ngo ntago bakinyizera ko banyohereza kuri tele kujya gukorera kuri tele kugera uyu munsi.
With me.
Kugera uyu munsi uje kuntwara, sibyo? Yego. Hey, kigabo hakuno kiri guca mugozi bakiziritseho. Kirimo kirawuca. Meze bite mwana? Caroline.
The leak isn't from the attorney's office or the FBI.
Amakuru yagiye hanze ntago yaturutse muri office ya district attorney cyangwa se muri FBI ya
Caroline.
Yaturutse muri twebwe Caroline.
The marshals.
Muri ba marshals nitwe turi kwisi nicinga.
Great. How did you get to that?
Ibyo bibwiye niki?
Our pilot friend knows my work history.
Nimba umupilote wacu hano, uyu mupilote wari udutwaye azamakuru yanjye n'akazi nakoze kera. Bivuze ngo umuntu dukorana niwe wansi nicinga.
Personal work history.
Akazi kanje je nikore buretse.
Everyone out.
Mwese musohoke nkeneye akanya.
We need to bring the director in on this.
Yes, absolutely.
Ibi bintu tugiye kubivangamo direct.
As soon as we get you down.
Well, how about now?
Look, the situation is fluid at best. We need to get you safely on the ground
ikintu cya mbere dukeneye ni ukukugeza hasi ku butaka
into the hands of my team.
Your team.
Kugeza mu biganza bya timu yanjye, timu yawe.
Yes, you trust them. I
Ubizere
vetted
mwana.
them myself.
Je ninjye wabiyubakiye twarakoranye.
You did, huh?
Koko.
What does Coleridge think?
Why?
Coleridge ari kubitekerezaho iki?
This is my operation.
We, you know operation yanjye Coleridge sarayizamo mu.
You don't trust the director?
Ntago wizera director wacu.
Hey, I did not say that.
Ntago ariko mvuze.
Saying that if the leak is in our office.
Ariko nari mvuze nti nimba amakuru atuvamo ava muri office yacu.
We need to be careful.
Dukeneye kwirinda rero. Tumenye ngo ninde utanga amakuru, ntago twamenye ngo ninde twizera na director wacu, boss wacu wasanga ari.
Get into this, okay? Focus on getting that plane down safely.
Yewe ikibazo mfite nuko ndege iragera hasi ibindi nyuma.
Okay?
Bimeze neza ariko.
Yeah.
Yego.
Go. Hassan's calling.
Hassan arampamagaye buretse nze mvugisha. Kandi Hassan ntaga muhamagaye. Hassan ni wa wundi wahari mu pariki indege. Kigabo hano kiri guca isheni.
Hey. Going up there.
Aho hejuru bimeze bite?
Great, huh?
Ntago ari sawa, eh?
Kiri kubaga. Let me know.
Mushaka tubiganire, uhita umenyesha tubiganire.
Give me another visit.
Cyangwa ugaruka hano inyuma tube tunegosiya ngo ino nsure nginagire. Kigurya hano. Kira gutya.
US Marshal's office?
Ahamagara muri US Marshal's office.
This is Deputy Harris.
Uyu ni Deputy Harris.
Need you to put me through the director.
Ndagira ngo mpamagarire director noneho none igitarga. Sasa umugore yahise ahamagara director aho kugira ngo ahamagare wa mugore wundi bakorana yahise ahamagara director wabo.
Tell him it's Deputy Madeline Harris.
Mubwire ko ari Deputy Madeline Harrison umushaka kandi byihutirwa. Nona.
Director Coleridge isn't here today, man.
ko uyu munsi atakoze.
I can put you through to your supervisory deputy or
wenda telefone yawe nayohereza kwa supervisor wawe cyangwa kwa deputy.
No.
cyangwa mu indi department. Umva neza witonze.
Talk to him
right
now.
Nshaka kuvugana nawe.
He will die if you don't get him on the line.
Ase wa mugore we ntabwo ubyumva. Nutamuzana ku murongo director ngo tuvugana abantu bashobora gupfa. Iki?
Let me see what I can do.
Sana hari bireka ndebe icyo nakora.
Thank you.
Urakoze. Ahamagaye undi ariko ni ahamagara wa undi bari kuvugana kuvana kare. Hey, kigabano kiri gucisha. Winston we.
Talk to your mother lately?
Weruka kuvugana na nyoko.
She's a sweet lady.
Irenganyigizo uri amukinga. Nyoko kari mwiza ra.
Hope she put her dentures back in.
Cyo kigoryi hakuno. Aracatwaye akadeki. Hey. Kirafuri rasona. Janine we.
Yes, ma'am. I managed to get a hold
Yego
of
mabusha.
Director Coleridge.
Nagerageje gufatisha telefone ya Director Coleridge.
Patch you through to his beach house, okay?
Jiye guhita nkugeza aha kuri telefone yiwe ahantu ari kuko naga ari mu kazi yari yasohotse ari ku kazu ke kari ku mucanga.
Yes, please.
Okay.
Thank you.
Santari burakoze mfasha. Kanya gato.
Coleridge here.
Coleridge niwe muvugana.
Sir, this is
Yakuba.
Harris.
Uyu ni Harris.
Been brief, deputy. Where's Van Sant?
Bambwiye. Van Sant ari he?
Sir,
Yakuba.
there's a leak.
Dufite umuntu uri kudutangira amakuru. Dufite umugambanyi.
He has a mole in the marshal's office.
Nyine mu magambo make mo leta afite umuntu uri kumuha amakuru kandi ari kuva muri office yacu.
And I believe that it's Deputy Van Sant, sir.
Ahubwo ndakeka ni Deputy Van Sant uri kudusinicinga.
Hello?
She went out on proof for you, Harris.
I know.
Harris we nawe mwakoranye byinshi ndabizi.
I'm aware of that.
Ndabizi kabisa.
I believe that given my prior history, she expected me to fail again.
Ndakeka nyuma yuko azi uburyo nakozemo akazi ka kera yari azi ko ndi bwongere gutsindwa.
Van Sant, she's in New York, right?
We Van Sant muri New York. Sibyo?
That is correct.
Niko kuri.
Okay, let me make some calls.
Ntari bireka ngira abantu mama.
He has a team waiting for us.
Afite team dutegereje icyo nicyo kibazo.
She needs to be contained.
Mugomba guhitamo umuhagarika. Uranyumva kandi niwe wari uri kumufasha ahamagaye boss. Sabo. Ndaje nze muhite mubanira ku bintu byose.
Sanctity.
Jenze yanje muri Sanctity. Deputy we.
I will. Thank you, sir.
Yego urakoze nyakubaho. Urakoze. Muri Sanctity.
You see it? I see the...
Reba hariya mwana dora amazi ngariya hamwe batubwiye. Hakuno barahabona.
Come on.
Yitamagara telefone nanone.
Hassan,
we.
See the coast.
Tutangiye kubona umwaro mwana h'amazi ku nkombe z'amazi. Cyiza cyane iki kirishimye.
Well, we aim to please.
Okay, so you're going to bank left, nice and easy.
Ubwo none ugiye gukata ibumoso gake kandi neza. Ukomeze ugendere ku nkengero ku mwaro w'amazi ku nkengero z'amazi. Hanyuma hakuno. Sawa. Hakuno.
Dude, Bendis, now be honest. Is that landscape not just stunningly beautiful?
Nta hantu uri kubona heza cyangwa se ubutaka cyangwa iki? Ubundi musigaranyemo benzine ingana gute?
Fuels at 25 gallons.
Ndi kubona dusigaranyemo nk'amagaro 25.
Okay. All right.
Hari ikibazo cyangwa? Kigabano kiri guca imigozi. Bari abaho bagiye kiri guca imigozi. Hasani we.
Sorry,
umbabarira ariko.
You said 25 gallons on both tanks?
Harya warumbwe ngo ni nk'amagaloni 25 muri tanka zombi. Ziyo ndege. Hari ikibazo kibirimo?
No, not a problem. Just a data point.
Ntago ari ikibazo, nta kibazo kibirimo.
This is good news, deputy.
Ayo ni amakuru meza deputy.
Have you on the ground in no time. Now turn that
Kanya kariko kose mugiye guparika.
Autopilot on.
Ongera usubizemo autopilot ubundi utwara indege utuje. Yasubira zamo autopilot. Ukomeze umpa amakuru cyane rwose. Ndi hano igihe cyose uri bunkenerere ndi hano. Gore tekerejeho
What?
Iki kundeba gutyo
What?
Sikigari we iki nyine
Fuck.
Sikiwe
That's tough. You told Daryl about.
Oh,
cyamafaranga wabwiye Daryl ngo wajyaga wishyura.
You heard that? I was bluffing. I swear to God, I would never sell you out like that.
Mwana humura nago nakugambanira.
It's not in me.
No, Winston.
Winston.
You were paying some guy $25,000 a month.
Wari wambwiye ngo wishyuraga ibihumbi 25 by'amadolari buri kwezi.
See, it was going.
Hari cyangwa ayo mafaranga yawe wayoherezaga hehe?
Sanctity.
Muri Sanctity. Ha! Kandi boss wabo bamaze kuvugana director nawe ari muri Sanctity.
Sure.
Urabizi neza?
I thought those payoffs were untraceable.
Nari nzi kutayakurikirana ngo uyabona aho baba yayohereje.
Well, the accounts are. Sure.
Ariko konte z'umuntu yazikurikirana.
A couple years ago, I was down in Florida when Hurricane Michael hit.
Ariko nyuma baje kumbwira ngo nje nyohereza muri Florida ubwo hateraga umuyaga n'iki byose.
It was no big deal except
nta byadanje wangu.
Greedy idiots sent
sibye ikigoryi kimwe cyikunda
a transfer request from a
cyajyaga kinyoreza transfer request
IP address in
ziturutse kuri IP address transfer request ni kwa kundi umuntu nyine akuri requestinga ngo umwishyure ukaza ukomfirima amafaranga akagenda cyabaga kiri muri Sankati azamashashisete kimuka hirya no hino.
Holy shit.
Kigali we gore yarumiwe hikanze sinzi tu gira telefone.
He's the leak.
Coglidge boss ni uri kudutanga mwana.
You got to get out of the office.
So come to office nona.
There's no time.
Genda.
Coleridge.
Winston bya Coleridge boss
handled his payoffs.
Oh.
Ibaze ko Winston ari nawe wamwishyuraga nyuma mwana.
I called him.
Namuhamagaye. Nyuma.
I should have trusted you.
Umbabare nari kuba nakwize mwana.
What did you tell him?
Wamubwiye ibiki rero?
That there's a leak.
Namubwiye ko ari umuntu uri kudutangira
That I thought.
Kandi natekereje ko.
Just say it.
Ibivuge mwana.
That I thought it was you.
Natekereje ko ari wowe. Wari watekereje ko ari njye mwana. Mbabarire mwana.
You got to get out.
So kaho none habigishyushye kuko agiye kuza kuguyika. Sawa. We banza umenye ko iyo ndege muyiparika neza ibindi ndaza kubikemura.
You know I love you.
Urabizi ko ngukunda mwana.
But thanks a lot, bitch.
Okay.
Ariko urakoze wa bitch. Ni inshuti nyine. Akon. Do. Yavumbe kari boss wabo bagambanira nyuma. Yamaze kumuha amakuru dore indege iri hejuru y'amazi do. Byabyita umwaro babyita ikinkombe z'amazi. Yap. Inkombe. Babyita inkombe iki?
Do you see that?
Kira kintu urakibonye mwana?
What is that?
Kire ni igiki?
Yeah, I see it.
Ndi kukibona. Hakuno.
Son.
Hasani we.
Deputy, how can I help?
Ndakumva gufasha gute deputy?
We see something.
Hari ikintu tubonye? Ikintu tubonye?
Like a boat.
Kimeze nk'ubwato. Ubwato. Ubwato ariko bwangiritse.
We can work with that. Can you see a name on it?
Uri kubona izina riri kuri ubwo bwato? Izina riri.
Gotta get me closer.
Okay, we're too high.
Turi hejuru mwana. Samumanukeho gatoya. Atogere nk'eshanu. Mugende nko muri feet igihumbi. Okay? Hakuno. Wamanura indege hasi.
Just a little bit closer.
Ukomeza wigira imbere gatoya. Uri kubona izina mwana?
Okay, it says.
Uri kubona ni ubwato bwapfuye buri hano.
Dancer?
Uri kubona ngo nimba ari fat dancer.
Fat dancer.
The fat dancer.
Mu byinnyo byibushe fat dancer.
Took my glasses. I don't know.
Mwana yanyambuye rinete zanjye ntabwo ndi kureba.
Odd name for a boat.
Ni iriya zina riri kuri ubwo bwato?
Fair dancer.
Data ni fair dancer.
Fair dancer.
A lot more sense.
The fair dancer.
Nabyo byumvikana.
Guarded, okay.
Okay.
We're running it past the Coast Guard now.
Okay.
Ubu noneho mutangiye kurega kuri Coast Guard. Dore ubwato bavugagaho buri do. Ubu cyato kinini. Cyato kinini dore akadeki. Ebe. Fair dancer. Iryo zina ry'ubwato.
You know, I'm something of a fair dancer myself.
Nanjye hari igihe mba numva nzi kubyina.
I have no doubt.
Ntago nabishidikanya.
Let's boogie. Because the Coast Guard ID'd the wreck. We've got a pretty good fix on your location.
Mwana nimba ubwato mumbwiye ari bwo koko twamaze kumenya ahantu muri, okay?
See us.
Batubonye mwana. Wana! Subona. Kigabo hakuno do.
Thank God.
Mwana.
Roller coaster ride. Okay.
Okay.
Guess we gotta land at some point.
Like a
Ndakeka tugiye guparika.
Now, if you'd be so kind as to turn left to heading 420.
Rero dufashije kata ibumoso byibura nka dogera 120. Hasigaye iminota nka 30. Sawa.
2-0.
Here we come.
Stellar. Hold that heading. I'll call back in 10 minutes or so.
Ndongera ngo hamagare mu minota 10. Tuvuge ukuntu ugiye guparika n'uburyo turi buze gusangira ibya nimugoroba. Nakoze ra. Mwana.
Get out of this!
Chawe! Chiraho! Chigaba kumbe cyambe cyaje gitera icyuma. We.
Tension.
We tuzari.
That's the good part.
Aha ni ho biryohera kigabo. Wigeze ubona isura y'umuntu ihindura ibara?
No.
Uretse vana mu nzira iyo mbunda boretse yizana nyigufasha.
No, let me get that for you.
Mwana musa. Chawe! Vana micyuma tera handi.
Yeah, I think I caught a rib there. Maybe
Ndakeka nkubise urubavu.
spleen too.
Sibyo?
Don't worry, you don't need a spleen.
Wigira ikibazo. Ntago nangije urukingo.
My name, huh? Come on, I'll give you 3 guesses.
Fumboza mwana.
No, that's not a name. Come on, guess again.
Ongera ufumboza. Hakuno.
No, that's not a name.
Iryo ntago ari izina.
One more try.
Kiye kugwa ndi mahirwe amwe. Kimunigani pfura umugore kiramunigana urapfa. Hey, nawe bamuteye icyuma. Bagurugoryi hakuno. Vanayo. Fire. Sasu mu ndege. Javanayo cha flare. Boko. Kigoryi aragitwika. aragitwika frame yaka fata fire extinguisher kizimyamwoto mu ndege za kuno poko mu gahanga uruhara rumena arangije arakizimya abarimo foam hano afunguraho gakeya ntago bari mu kirere cyo hejuru umwotsi bizi foam bibanze bishire mu ndege hakuno dore akadege ko kaciye mu kirere kaka wayo ni gasura myotsi hakuno ikigabo cyari kibisha ariko musore kiramuhaye
No one cares what your fucking name is.
nta witeka uruzina rwe wangegera we mbese ukeneye kumenya izina ryawe cyamukubitaga kimubwira ngo fomboza izina ryanjye
Alright, let me see.
reka ndebe mwana ujya reka ndebe ariko hakuno
Okay.
gasani rebye hano
Okay, it's fine.
bimeze sa mwana oya ntago bimeze sa uraza kumera neza oya wimbeshya
Pressure on it, okay?
wimbeshya
Alright.
sawa
Put one of these on.
shira gutya
Sorry. And another one here.
hangane mwana fata kandi hano okay
There's morphine. You want morphine?
No, I'm scared of needles.
guhereze morphine ngutere morphine oya ndi inshinge morphine
Yes, fuck it, do it.
sa nari bipfa kubikora hey je kumutera za morphine abaganga mamuzi byo zikora nge simbizi hako morphine si ibintu by'ibinya n'ibiki ndi gupfa mwana sindi gupfa
I am.
wimbeshya mwana ndi gupfa ntago uri gupfa
Listen to me.
wimbeshya mwana nyumva
Listen to me. You're not dying.
ntago uri gupfa
I'm gonna get you out of this, okay?
ndaza kukuvana muri ibi
Just gotta breathe.
we humeka
All right?
sibyo gutera hano bya morphine bimugabanyiriza ububabare ndebe hakuno mwana ndi kumva
Great. All right. Keep pressure on.
kize gutya sinzi
Thank you, by the way.
rakoze mwana hagati nkoze ibiki se harya
You killed me.
uriya mugabo yari kunyica utanabara
You shoot him when you had the chance.
nakubwiye ngo umurasa ugifite amahirwe ariko nabikubwiye sakomeza ufateho mwana komeza ufatire icyo gikomere amaraso abaretse kuva ari menshi yego hakuno urebe umugore hano ategetswe kugeza uyu mugabo aho amugeze uyu mugabo akazatanga uwamwe ashinze umugabo bita Moleti sinzi nimba ari bumugeze nimba atari bumugeze ikigabo bonje baragifunga do hey! cyarongeye kirakanguka bundi bushya dore uruhara do oya ni ihene yica umukingo
How are you doing up there?
aho bimeze bite
Listen, Winston's been stabbed.
Winston bamuteye icyuma
I'm sorry?
mumbabarire
Pilot,
nindakimuteye
Booth.
umupilote Booth
His name is.
sinzi n'uruzina
Stabbed him.
Oh my god.
nyagasani
And I shot him with a flare.
ndangije ndamurasa flare okay
Hello?
yewe
Copy.
ndakumva ni Hasani uri bumwakira aho bagiye guparika
Still there?
Rachari mwana
Yeah, I'm here.
ndahari
I couldn't reach Deputy Van Sant.
Deputy Van Sant sindi kumubona
What is the status of the witness?
ubundi umutangabuhamya wameze ate nameze nabi sha arenda gupfa sanda byumva
Listen, we're gonna need some real medical attention here.
nakubeshya hano tugiye gukenera ubuvuzi sawa
Tarmac EMS is on standby.
ngiye kubwira timu y'abaganga ihite iryamira amajanja
How far away are we?
turi kureba ingana iki
18 to 20 minutes out.
iminota nka 18 kuri 20 muraba muhageze nta kindi kintu cyatuma twihuta
Hassan.
Hassan we okay
We can increase your speed.
twakongera umuvuduko muri kugenderaho ariko umenye yuko benzine mwari musigaranye mu ndege irahita igenda ari nyinshi andi mahitamo dusigaranye
I need you to understand.
kakira ngo ubyumve nyumva mwana
Winston doesn't testify Coleridge walks, Moretti walks.
Understand. Let's of your fuel.
We have a choice.
Deputy, I need you to understand.
kakira ngo ubyumve mwana upfa mwana
If Winston doesn't testify, Coleridge walks.
Winston nataza ngo aze gushinza ibikorwa bya Coleridge ndetse n'ibya Mollett. Ndabyumva.
I'm not losing him, all right?
Ntago ari buze gupfoya. So.
Okay. Open up the red handle marked fuel mix.
Santari bizamura icyo kintu cy'umutuku kiraho kivanga benzine.
All the way in.
Zamura ibyo zamura. Ndabona tugeze ku 160. Sakomeza ucunge.
Few minutes with the landing procedure.
Ndaje kubahamagara mu minota mike cyane, ndaje mbahamagare mwe mubanguke.
Right, Winston.
Za Winston.
Hang in there.
Komeza ihangane mwana. Hang in there.
Not long now.
Ntago hasigaye igihe kinini. Hakuno. Hey. Rebe. Winston hano.
Winston, how you doing?
Winston umeze ute? Tangiye gucika intege.
In general?
Umbajije muri rusange se bimwe waza umuntu gahita gusubiza ati meze sawa, cyangwa umbajije ku giti cyanjye? Rebe. Hakuno. Umuhambuye. Ameze nabi.
You're in trouble now.
Mwana buri mu bibazo. Ameze nabi. Sinzi ariko. Hangane mwana, hangane kabisa. Ebe.
I'm sorry.
Babarire mwana.
This is my fault.
Byose ni amakosa yanjye.
This is all my fault.
Byose ni amakosa yanjye.
That's the morphine talking.
We, iyo ni morphine iri kuvuga, uri hayi kabisa.
I could have done anything.
Ntago nakabaye narakoze ikintu icyo ari cyo cyose.
Guys, like in school, I could have.
Ntago bari abajinga nakabaye narabakoreye biriya byihebe. Bebe.
I could have gone to college.
Nakabaye naragiye kwigira muri kaminuza.
I could have got a good job.
Ashaka akazi keza.
I wanted it easy.
Ariko nje nashakaga ibyoroshye kandi buriya.
What is going on?
Ibishyushye byotsa amatama.
About Moretti.
Narinzi ibyo Moretti arimo.
I'd say it's not me.
Nkajya mvuga ini cyane ko atari njye ari kubikorera.
Guy. Moving numbers around.
Nkajya mvuga ini ngendo umusore uhinduranya imibare nimura imibare nyine ntransfera amafaranga.
Fucking basement.
Nice ku kimashini kiri ahantu muri basement.
But I knew what was happening.
Ariko ibyari biri kuba ndabizi.
I'm so fucking sorry.
Mbabarire mwana. Nyine.
The paper. I had our names on it. You know what the address is? That's my mom's address.
Hey, don't worry about it.
Je ntubigire ikibazo mwana.
To that address, go see her for me.
Basi wamfasha.
Me?
Yeah, just go see her.
Hakuno.
Had our names on it. You know what the address is?
Kuri cya gipapuro hariho amazina ya mama wanjye, aderese n'iki byose.
Hey, don't worry about it.
Wigira ikibazo mwana.
To that address, go see her.
Basi nitumara guparika haza kujya kundebera mama cyangwa.
Me?
Jewe. Just go see her, please.
Ndakwingiza uze kujya kumureba. Sibyo?
Something, you know.
Mubwire ibyo nakoze.
It was good. Just tell her I did something good.
Byibura umubwire ko hari n'ibintu byiza nakoze apana bibi gusa.
Make some shit up, whatever.
Hakuno. Meze nabi.
It would mean a lot to her.
Byaba bisobanuye byinshi kuri mama wanjye mwana. Washobora kutarukuka arumva ameze nabi. Uza amaraso menshi. Sawa?
Alright, I'll tell her.
Sandaza kumubwira naribi. Okay? Naribi. Hakuno. Ikigabo kiramwishe. Hey!
You did the right thing.
Nakoze ikintu cyanya cyo kwemera ko ndi bushinze Mollett mwana. Hakuno. Rebe. Sinzi ariko. Rihanna.
U.S. Marshals?
Janine, it's
Janine.
Madeline.
Uyu Madeline.
I need you to put me through to Caroline Van Sant.
Ndagira ngo mpamagarire Caroline Van Sant. Wa mugore yabwiye karati ndashutswe mani ndishutse ndakuraburiza kuri boss mvuga ngo niwe mugambanyi.
Yes, one moment.
Buretse akanya gatoya. Harris. Uyu ni Coleridge muvugana. Cya kigambanyi cya boss. Coleridge.
I'll take it from here, Janine. Thank you.
Janine we ngiye guhera hano buretse ibindi byivugane n'uwo mukobwa urakoze.
I'm afraid it looks like you were right about Deputy.
Mwana mfite ubwaka ibyo wambwiraga ari ukuri. Umbwira kuri Deputy Van Sant Madeline.
There was a car crash and she was T-boned leaving the
yakoze impanuka ari gusohoka muri ofisi ye Nyagasani. Madeline we.
She's dead.
Yapfuye. Nyagasani yarikanze. Ikanze.
I'm so very sorry, man.
Babarire mwana. Sikigari we.
Well, I know the other driver fled and
ikibabaje umushoferi wundi wamugonze yahise agenda. Ndakeka n'umwe mu bashoferi bamurekeje. Nikwerekeza ko kuri kujyayo yego.
They must have been waiting or I don't know.
Wabona bantegereje cyangwa iki?
Whatever I could do, however I can help, please.
Icyo nakora icyo ari cyo cyose cyo nagufasha.
The two of you are very close.
Nari mbizi ko we nawe muri inshuti cyane.
What do you say?
You got this.
None menye impamvu yoboye.
It's all wrapped up, haven't you?
Ibi byose niwe wabyangije.
Figure it out.
Uzi ukuntu ibintu byangiza ukaza kubikemura.
No, it was you.
Nari mbizi ko ari wowe.
Sure where you're going with this, Madeline?
Sinzi ibyo uri kujyamo.
5 grand a month.
Ibihumbi 25 bya buri kwezi.
You got sloppy.
Genda urebe neza ari kode z'amafaranga wacira wanjegera we.
You want to compare records, Deputy Harris? No one is going to believe a word you say.
Ese ibintu uri kuvuga ubundi urumva ari nde wakwizera gita kinamwerurira.
A jury will.
Careful, Harris.
Alice witonde. Jenny tonde wakigoryo. Uramwicishije.
Fuck you.
Fuck you.
Careful.
Ngo nitonde. Nyumva mwana.
Fucking careful.
Ngo nitonde.
Deputy. To me, goddammit.
Vugisha.
Calm down, Harris.
Harris tuzi.
My pilot's calling. Fuck you.
Umupilote wanje aramamagaye kijyo. Tubonanire New York ndakwica. Ndakwica. Hasani we.
Two we've got on radar.
Ndakeka nimwe tubonye kuri radar. Imana ishimwe.
Miles out and looking good.
Usigaje nk'amayero 11 byiza cyane.
Do me a favor. Hang up.
Gira akantu mfasha mwana.
Put your headphones on and do
your ekuteri zawe. Radio ishyire kuri frequency y'ijana Okay. Shyira ku 121 Shyiramo ekuteri. Hakuna.
Okay.
Sawa. Nyumva mwana.
Handsome, confident, ATC controller, looking for intrepid pilot.
Handsome, huh?
Land the damn plane and see for yourself.
Leno ugiye guparika iyo ndege nawe uraza kwibonera.
Deputy, let's bring it in.
Deputy, okay. Hakuna. Kureba. Nawe ameze nabi. Winston.
Hey.
We, Winston we. Kigabo ari inyuma nacyo.
Almost there.
Harabura gato ngo tugere umwana. Byiza. Byiza kigabo do.
You.
We.
Stupid. Why didn't you kill me?
Kigwaryo kucyutanyishe.
Hey!
We.
Why did you just kill me?
Kucyutanyishe.
Like you.
Kubera ko ntameze nkawe.
I'm gonna tear you apart.
Genda aza kugucamo ibice.
Fucking pieces.
Agace ku kandi.
They're gonna need the entire forensics team to identify you.
Ndetse bazanakenera forensic kugira ngo baterateranye uduce twawe bamenye ko ari wowe.
I'm gonna enjoy it too.
Shandaza kubyishimira nabyo. Mwana umenya ndi haye ariko we yimereye nabi. Zamuteza morphine. Iriya nindi ndege mbonyera. Kureba. Fighter jets. Ndege zibaherekeje babahereje indege zo kubaherekeza. Hey! Dore ndege do. Zimigi zikire. Hasani we.
There's a plane tailing us.
Hari indege zituri inyuma kandi zisa nk'iza gisirikare. Nabyumvisha indege nimwe mu zacu ntari bigiye kubaherekeza mwe muhumure. Je kubaherekeza mu nzira zose.
That's good.
Byiza mwana. Byiza.
Tex?
Iriya ndege ngiye kubarinda. Niko bitekereza.
You think it's there to help?
Urakeka iri hano ngo ibafashe? Kigabo kirasa.
How is it supposed to do that?
Iriya ndege sirabafasha iki?
It's there to protect everyone else from you.
Iriya ndege hano ngo ibarinde ahubwo mwebwe ibarinda abandi bantu bose.
Of course, to crash into a school or something.
Mugiye mwaba iyi ndege mugiye kuyigongesha nk'ikigo cy'amashuri cyangwa iki?
It's there to shoot you down.
Iriya ndege rani ngo ihita ibarasa.
You're full of shit.
Mwana uzi ko wuzuye umwana. Kirasa.
Gotta lose, huh? 3 of us? A bunch of kiddies playing patty cake in the schoolyard playground.
Umwe murumva iriya ndege bitewe ku burusha uko yakwita nko ku kigo cy'abana buzuye mu kigo bari kwirira amakeke. Harya we nturi umunyamibare. Kora imibare wakigoryo. Ntago biri buberata. Iyi ndege tugiye kuyiparika neza cyane. Weho muhumure iyo ndege ndaje nyiparikire. Aho kuni kigabo wapi biranga. Ibigiye kubyishimira.
Don, I see the runway.
Wendi kubona lana we mwana. Byiza cyane nanjye ndi kubabona.
Passing 1500 feet.
Tugeze muri feet 1500 ya speed, tugeze kuri 90 uvuduko dufite mu kirere. Hasani,
I'm here.
Ndakumva.
There's a crosswind that kicked up. I recommend we try a practice run.
Hari umuyaga mwinshi, niyo mpamvu nagira ngo mbabwire muze gukata mu parike ku rundi ruhande. Winston we. Kureba kandi bari kumugazengurutse indege ze guca ku rundi ruhande.
Landing improve for the practice run.
He's not gonna make it. I barely feel it.
Mwana ntago byaza gukunda ko uyu musore yaza kuba akiri muzima no gutera ko ndi kumva ari ibibazo. Iyi ndege ngiye kuyiparika nuna uko byagenda kose. Nagerageza kukugira inama ariko niwe mu pilote sinzi.
Okay, you are clear to land.
Sawa, wemereye guparika indege. Zamura amazuru y'indege yawe. Kuno network mba numva na connection mba mbona ntazi kuntu ziri kugenda ugasanga filimi ivuye n'iki. Kuno banza gabanya ibyagabanya byose. Trot nyigejeje kuri 25. Ibi ngiye kubyishimira ikigabono. Kira gutya. Funi gikumwe kure mipfingu. Shawara gikonyora cyebwe. Ayiwe.
Altitude.
Ubutumburuke.
Altitude's at 1000 feet.
Tugeze nko kuri feet 1000 byiza cyane. Hanyuma amavuta musigaranyemo.
I don't see flaps.
Ntayo ndi kubona. Kigabo hakuno kiri kwikuramo ipingu. Kiri kwikuramo ipingu.
It's there.
Hasani ratabiriye.
Around gray lever just to the right of the throttle.
Hakuno mubwira ikinda manura.
Flaps to full.
Sa flaps zose ndazimanuye. Kigabo kikuramo ipingu wani bazeka ikigo kikuramo ipingu rikakibanga uruhu komoka do.
To the right of the throttle.
Manura.
Flaps to full.
Flaps ndazimanuye dore uruhu dore ukuntu ruri komoka dore kigabo. Ayiwe. Kigabo hano kiri komora. Chewe. Kigabo kirongera kivayo bundi bushya.
Almost there.
Harabura gatongo tagera ikigabo kiragaruka. Chewe, kwani indege. Ese kwa mano uri gukaraga indege? Ntago njana muri gereza ninjo. Faya! Nasinjegera yerekara yibembekereza. Faya rongera arayira. Nasimbwa. Arasimbwa yamuzonze kuva kare. Ayo nama saso numvishije na. Deputy. Nejaniranga. Kateje karanga bari bagiye kugaparika. Deputy Harris uracyanyumvara? Sawa ndi hano Imana ishimwe. Uri kubikora neza mwana. Kigali we. Moteri ivuyeho. Hasani moteri ivuyeho. Amavuta aragushiranye karibira nyine. Ariko nibyo byiza kuko ubu ngubu indege unayikrashinze ntago yashya kuko nta mavuta arimo ntago yaturika. We ntago ujya ukenera moteri ngo uparike indege. Kigali we. We komeza indege uyitwarira aho ngaho harabura gato ngo muparike. Ibintu byose bimeze neza. Tugeze muri feet nka 600. Hari umuyaga uri bukomeze ugukaraga ariko we komeza ukandagire pedalu yikomeze kandagira pedalu yikomeze iri ibumoso sawa. Kandagira ari kubona lana w'imbere iri ahantu bagomba guparika indege. Kuri indege kugira ngo iparike ibanza kwirukanka no kuzamuka ibanza kwirukanka. Ico bita runaway ni inzira yirukanyuramo. Kururiyo yo kuyiyegereze yikurure kugira ngo indege ibashe kubanza amapine y'inyuma bagera kuri runaway. Bari kuyibona imbere yabo. Feet 100 byiza cyane abayirwa n'imigisha. Okay, hakuno rayibona runaway. Sinzi ugeze muri feet nk'ijana. Amahirwe n'imigisha mwana kuki ibyo gusa. See you on the ground tuze kubonanira ku butaka. Ndaza kugufata saa 12:05 dusohoke tujye kunywa karosi twabyemeranyije. Feet 20 touchdown. Teje kora hasi. Teje kora hasi yanga teje ridunda. Kadege karidunda na kadege gatoya hari ukubanza ipine kitambitse imodoka no zakizimya mwoto dore ya indi yari yiherekeje du za ndege z'imigi zari zigaherekeje akangaka ya mbere iraminuka koze ipine hasi rya mbere niracika ipine riracika kadege karidunda ibi babyita gucrashinga nagaru kurandinga imodoka zakizimya mwoto ubwo ziba ziri hafi aho amamberanza bari dore indege ngiri karaga ku kibuga cy'indege mu masaha y'ijoro dore indege kadege karikaraga do kadege karikaraga biranga ariko sinzi kigaba hakuno yapu kigabo kibanza kisemura hasi poko modoka ihita icyambara babasigara mu kadege hano. Kadege kari karaga ariko sinzi kiza benzine yari yashizemo ntabwo kasha. Kadege gahagarara hano kahagaze hano. Hey Gasani abuze rimwe ritanga abiri. Abuze rimwe ritanga abiri. Ebe ze gutya paritse akadege. Winston we Winston we arahamugejeje. Kumbi ntacyo araba, maraso yaramubanye make isereri gusa. Winston
Cool, did we land?
Mwana twaparitse we nta nibyo yumvishije bazizagara. Iyo twaparitse mwana kigaba imodoka isi cyambara kazi keza mwana. Meze neza mwakomeretse. Oya
Take him fast.
uwo mubanze kumujyane bamuteye ibyuma incuro ebyiri yabuze amaraso menshi mu mujyane. Twari dufite undi mugenzi agiye he?
I'm sorry, ma'am. He was from the plane. He didn't
Yavuye mu ndege ntiyabashije kurokoka ikamyo yamwambaye shaho. Imana ishimwe. Imana ishimwe. We wo mu mutware gake yabuze amaraso menshi mwana mu mujyane. Ni ugomba kujya gutanga ubuhamya gashinza Moleti. Ebe bamucanye wano nayo habuze rimwe ritanga abiri. Kadege karaba karaze fata phone hano sat phone show kirano
Fuck off.
tumuka nawe mva imbere hakuno vuye hano. Ebe urwayi baramufashe gore nasohokamo kimeze neza ameze neza ntaribi meze neza. Rebye aramuzanye arahamugejeje aho yagombaga kumugeza arabikoze. Hey bikoze hakurya hari izindi zaparitse. Do Rebye hano umusore ewana wa undi wari uri kumuyobora Hassan. Turabikoze mwana barabikoze. Ebe amaye cyacu gifite urusura rumeze gutyo yarakibona do kigabo kije kimeze nk'ari ikiganga cyambaye imyenda y'abaganga kibona gita kinjira muri ambulance umusore agiye mu dore isura do isura ubona ubundi ukabona nta keza kayo. Narebye abitekereza yitonze ariko sinzi. Hey Fayano fungurano kujyano kumbi bari kumunigisha ishashi. Fanebuna fajya ahita yica bose babireba bari bamwishe. Winston bari bamwishe bari bamunigishije akavera mwana kubera iki ngende bega umunsi umva Winston ariko the fuck sikigari we mana yanjye
This fucking day.
What a fucking day. Bega umunsi mubi.
What the hell's going on there?
Miriko niki kiri kujambera aho ngaho? Sinakubwiye ngo nta kurasana.
I'm gonna ship you back to Bulgaria, you fucking moron.
Wa kigorye nugaruka muri Bulgaria nzakuyicira. Ayo kuno.
Is it done?
Miriko byarangiye?
No.
Oya director Coglage we. Ntago birarangira. Halis.
You are.
Ariko we birakurangiranye. Nta hantu ho kucikira umfite. Gasani. Kibazo. Rwanya urugamba. Rwanya intamba ikomeye. Ntako atagize yaramuzanye umugore. Ntako atagize do. Na Hasani yarumiwe. Mada kudasanzwe. Ya filime nirangiye. Mel Gibson. Umuhitinzi ni wa directinzi ye filime. Je wayisobanuye banyitaga heza. Kwibutsa ushaka kugira ya filime iyi ni nyinshi nkazo. Mwishyura abonema kuri website yitwa gasobanuyefilms.com. Undi mugende muri ryo show. Yo. See you. Deka mbanze mbasigire maka advert kamwe gato. Undi dure muzikurikira.
Waba ushaka kugura cyangwa kugurisha? Gurira Line nicyo gisubizo cyawe. Ukeneye telefone, laptop, imyenda igezweho, ibikoresho byo mu rugo, amavuta y'ubwiza cyangwa ibindi nk'intebe, frigo, tapi, okaziyo ndetse n'ibishya. Gurira Line irabigufitiye kandi ku biciro bito. Dusange ku rubuga rwacu ari rwo www.guriraline.com ubundi urebemo icyo ukeneye, cyane ko umukiriya yivuganira n'umucuruzi binyuze muri chat bagacirikanya. Ikindi kandi Gurira Line yarashyiriyeho uburyo bwo kwinjiza amafaranga igihe washarinze igicuruzwa icyo ari cyo cyose kiri muri Gurira Line ku nshuti zawe cyangwa abandi abo ari bo bose. Igihe baguze uhabwa komisiyo aho waba uri hose. Umva ko kandi yemwe bacuruzi mufungura amaduka yanyu kuri Gurira Line, mucuruza amasaha 24/7, maze ibyo mucuruza bigere ku bakiriya benshi, ndetse n'igihe iduka ryanyu rifunze shop yanyu ikomeza ikora. Urahinga ukeza ukabura aho ugurishiriza ibyo wejeje? Gurira Line ije kuba igisubizo cyawe. Shira umusaruro wawe ku isoko ryacu. Gurira Line igufasha kugeza umusaruro wawe ku bakiriya bose mu Rwanda, kandi ibyo byose biba mu gihe gito. Tunga app yacu ya Gurira Line unyuze kuri Apple Store cyangwa Play Store, cyangwa ukaduhamagara kuri 0788989217. Gurira Line, isoko ryawe aho uri hose.